Am I audible? Can you do a quick mic check? Am I audible, guys? You all can unmute yourself. You all can. Hello, Jishan. Hello, Akshay. Thank you, Aditya. So, guys, you all can unmute yourself. Divesh, you can't hear us. You can't. Okay. Okay. Can you do it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. So quickly, just switch on your cameras, switch on your audio, so that we all get to see each other. Aditya. Yeah, I think Aditya has the same situation as I do. My camera
Yeah.
is a bit misaligned. So yeah, that's why my face is a bit like this. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Great. So we'll wait for 1 more minute. I think people are coming in, right? We have 9 over here. Can you all quickly put yourself in gallery view, everyone, right? So that you all can see each other's faces, right? These are going to be your faces, friends, for next 6-7 months. Akshay, we don't mind seeing your face. You can switch on your video. Same with you, Ashutosh. Okay. So we are still 8. So I think we are still some people short. No camera? Okay. Okay. Okay, so before we start, I want to quickly check with you all. Did you all receive, welcome Prabhat, the GC calendar, GC invite, as in Google Classroom invite in your inboxes, email boxes?
Yeah.
All of you have joined?
Yeah.
Anyone here who hasn't joined Google Classroom? No, okay, because it's very important. I'll briefly cover Google Classroom anyway. Google Classroom is nothing but like a, I would say, online content bank. So that is where your assignments, your study materials will get unlocked. So it's very critical that it's mission critical that you all are, sorry, you all have accepted my invite for Google Classroom. Okay, awesome. So should we give it more 2 minutes? So let's just give it 2 more minutes. Okay, so how was your session yesterday? How was the kickoff? How did you like the interaction? Someone would like to?
Well, good. We've done some activity, game kind of.
Yeah. Treasure hunt. Treasure hunt.
Yeah,
right?
treasure hunt.
Yes. Who won? Any idea who won? Do you all remember who won?
Amit won.
Sorry, who?
Amit.
With
Yeah.
is not here.
Yeah.
So the winner of yesterday's treasure hunt is still not here. Okay, great. I'll give it 1 more minute and then I'll quickly introduce myself as well. I'm so sorry, guys. I was supposed to be here yesterday, but I had some urgency at my place, so I couldn't make it. But anyway, I'm going to get introduced to you all right now. Let me just share a quick reminder. So guys, I've just created a thread. Okay, so in the Game Clan channel, you all can send messages. That's mostly used for announcements and updates. You all can react to it. Okay, so make sure you use that power for downvoting or voting, depending on whatever announcement is being made. And then I'll be creating threads. So right now I've created a specific thread for you all so that you all can start with the LinkedIn task, right? I think the basic task was to start connecting with each other. And I think Mayank has covered extensively why LinkedIn is important, right? It's very critical to placements because we don't want to create a push culture. We want to create a pull culture. Push is where, you make your CV and then you give it to 100 of companies. And then that's a push method. Pull method is where you create your own brand and then other people come attracted towards you. And that's the always favorable position to be in. Okay. And LinkedIn works. It's not a hypothesis, it's a fact. And that's why we are very bullish on LinkedIn. So make sure you all are using the channel. Hi Satya, I think we have new people coming in. Hi everyone. So just switch on your cameras. Whoever has camera access, don't worry about your face. We all have ugly pandemic faces, so no shame there. Okay, so great. So I'll quickly. I think we still have some people left. I'll just quickly just do this. Hmm. So you all entered through the calendar invite, right?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. That's great. How many of you have already tested or worked on the LinkedIn assignments?
Yesterday I was saying.
Yeah, the assignments that were unlocked yesterday.
Yeah, it's
Did you all have any questions regarding it?
No.
Not yet. I think Sumit had very relevant question. Thank you for that, Sumit, so that I could make the plan, the thread. Okay, anyway. So, okay, I think I've sent a reminder. Hi, Gaurav, new face. Satya is here. Okay, great. So, I am Aman Verma. I am program director, program, whatever you want to call me. My main job is to make sure that your program works successfully and whatever it takes to make sure your experience is best. And what is your experience? It's not a hotel, it's not a spa, it's a you're here to gain some skills, right? So the experience is all about you join Outscale at point zero, and my job is to make sure that you're moving to point two, and that two is the favorable position to be in as a game developer, strictly speaking. Okay, so make sure you get familiar with my face, familiar with my name. So whenever you have any doubts, any issues, any feedback, and we are very bullish on feedback, help me to help you. I think I shared a feedback form today in the morning, so that will be shared after every session. Uh, so make sure you are giving feedback so that we understand uh, how is this program working out for you, and then we'll be able to help you out. You telling me or me reaching out to you after 15-20 days doesn't help, because 15-20 days of content has already passed. So make sure your feedback comes coming every, and this is true for everyone. Okay, so that we understand where things might be like. If something is working, great. If something is fucking, I need to know now. Okay, because I don't want you all to be in a fucked up kind of situation for a longer period of time and then feeling okay, fine, this many time got wasted. Okay, so I'm just making sure feedback is very important. Okay, great. Coming to feedback, we have two kind of feedbacks. One is module feedback, one is another is mentor feedback. Okay, so right now you don't have a mentor assigned to you. The mentor will be assigned to you next week when your C++ module starts. And your mentor will be joining you for 2 sessions in a week. Okay, so one day it will be a weekday, which will be followed by a 2-3 day of break, as in the mentor break, and then weekend the mentor will join again, so that there's ample gap of between two mentor sessions, so that you have worked on enough assignments, enough study material to have doubts. Okay, I think mine must have made it very clear. Mentors are not teachers. They're not here to teach you. They're here to solve your doubts. The more you work on the assignments and the content that we are sharing, the more doubts you will have, right? And that's where the mentor comes in. He gives code reviews. Once you start doing active codes, the mentor will be here to review it for everyone, so that you understand where you stand design wise, architecture wise, and also your doubts. Okay, so that's where your 120 minutes should be milked. Like that's the most efficient way to use your mentor time. Bombard him with questions, and make sure your code is getting reviewed. Okay, and also you have to also make sure you're reviewing your mentor immediately after the first session, because sometimes mentors don't work out, right? Hi Malar, welcome. So we have Malar here. Hi. So I was just quickly talking about feedback, Malar. Let me just finish that and then we can jump into code reviews, right? So mentor feedback is very crucial because everyone has their different bandwidth, right? Things can work out, things can't work out. So let's suppose if a mentor is working out, great, let us know. And if a mentor is not working out, then definitely 110% let us know, right? So let's suppose you are working with a mentor, a whole module passes away. And then after the module has ended, we come to know that, oh, fuck, the mentor was not working for you all. So that whole module gets wasted, right? We can't redo it. So make sure, so you have 2 sessions per week. Make sure you are definitely rating that, letting us know, is the mentor good? Is the mentor working out? Is the content being taught well? So that we can intervene as soon as possible in case there is some kind of gap. I hope it's very clear, guys. Help me to help you. Okay. The more you let me know, more transparent things will get, the more I'll be able to make your experience better. On this note, we will segue to Malhar, and he will be taking over some very interesting things that we have here in store for you. Over to you, Malar.
Yeah, just give me co-host credentials. Hey, hi guys, really nice seeing you. So I will be sharing very important details. I'm not here for too long. I just need to attend few other calls. So just I will quickly cover very important things. So Aman, have you shared the public page with them or should I share?
I have given the public page right now. I have not given them a context, so you can give them the context. I'll anyway cover it. You can start.
Got it.
Awesome. If you can just give a basic, let me give them a basic background of this. Okay, so I think you have opened the project, Malar.
Okay, my bad.
No worries. So guys, I recently, just like 5 minutes ago, shared a link, right, on your channel. So this is your public page. So all the resources, all the major um, announcements will be here, which I'll cover initially. Sorry, right now. So make sure you all pin this in your browser so that you can have access to it whenever needed. Okay, this is your page, public page. Okay, Malala, on that point you can go ahead.
Yeah. So guys, here you can see list of things. There are some helpful resources, assessment test timetable. This will be followed for every assessment, not only for the C++ Unity basics. Actually, every module will follow the exact same timetable. Don't worry too much about what is this and what is mat 1, mat 2 and all the stuff. Anyways, as you are proceeding further to the program, you will get to understand the things. I will be quickly covering the program structure, and there are very important things that I will be sharing. So you have to pay maximum attention while explanations. So the very first important point under the program structure is doubt assistance. Okay, and yeah, like once you open this page, make sure that you are opening up these toggles. Okay, open up these toggles to reveal the content. So under the doubt assistance, first of all, you need to understand that Outscale has 4,000 plus people. Okay, community. Please don't get stuck by only DMing me or Mayank or any other person for a technical doubts, because I can tell you there are tons of other great technical people in the community as well. Those who are already graduated, those who are senior of me as well, right? Just like Vinay, currently working in Ubisoft, just like Setunath, currently working in Encore Games. Those guys are actually senior to me. And just like them, Shubham is there, Swapnil is there. I can like literally name 10 people who are like literally having more experience than me. So you need to take care that you are not only creating a blocker for yourself for a DMing me. Okay, if you are DMing me, I might be replying in you 12 hours, right? But if you are sending a message in a clan, you will definitely get a reply in a much more and faster way. So that's the first point. I hope this point is loud and clear. I'm not saying don't DM me. If you are facing any issues during the mentor sessions, during the overall program, during the links or anything, you can directly contact me. That's no issues. Aman, you can directly contact Aman or anyone inside team. But I'm saying for a technical doubts, don't create a blocker only on me, because there are ample tons of people there in the community. Those are eager to help you. Okay, is this point clear? Just quickly give me thumbs up. I will be quickly moving further in the chat. Is this point clear? Again,
But there's a permission problem in the clan.
Okay.
There was a flashing message that you have no permission to message directly in the channel.
Wait. I'm about to explain the Discord channels. Which channel to post? I guess you are trying to post in another channel. But if you want to see these channels are public to everyone. Okay. So these channels won't have that permission issue. I'm quite sure about it. I will screen share the Discord as well. But yeah, like, only thing, again, don't get misunderstood. I'm not saying don't DM me, don't come to me. Definitely you should be coming to me, Aman, Mayank, or anyone wherever you are facing issues related to the program. And even if you are facing any tech related issues, you can come to me, but just don't create a blocker on me, right? Post it into the chat, post it into the channel, and then also you can come to me in the DM, right? So there won't be any blocker on me. Especially in the terms of data structures, C++, Unity fundamentals, Unity advanced, right? So yeah, like, that's about it. I will be quickly sharing the Discord screen at the moment with you to understand which channels that you will be posting the doubts. Okay, so I hope that will be clear, and just let me know you guys can access these channels or not. Okay, I'm just sharing the Discord screen. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So under the programming section, first of all, you need to check C++, C#, and data structures channel. Where should I share the LinkedIn profile? Ashutosh, I will give the context about that. No issues. But first of all, understand where to ask doubts. The first thing is programming section. If you open it, you will first of all find the guidelines, overall guidelines about how to program and all the stuff. Then comes C++ channel. Here you can see bunch of people are asking and interacting. Then comes C#. Here also you can see some of the code snippets, and some of them are asking doubts, and even I am also replying on that. Then comes data structure, which is fairly active channel, because majority of the doubts come from the data structures modules. But yeah, like, that's about it. First of all, you need to understand these channels. You need to check those who were having the permissions issues. You are talking about this channel, DevClan 18. Here you don't have permission to send message, because here we will be sending very crucial announcement and very crucial message, so we can't afford a spamming, right? So this is the important message sent by Aman. So there can be bunch of messages below it, so this message should not get buried. So that's why this is only read only channel, right? As simple as that. Then comes I guess programming channels all clear. Just give me a confirmation you guys can access it in the Discord or not. Quickly, just go ahead and try to access them. I guess it should be accessible by everybody.
Yes, it is accessible.
So the next important thing is how to ask doubt. If you are simply saying, hey, I need help in array, right? So I'm just giving an example. So array itself is a huge topic, right? There are thousands of concepts in arrays. So if you are saying like, hey, I need help in array, nobody can help you. So it is your responsibility to help others to understand your problem, first of all. And for that, use simple screenshots of your code, simple screenshots of your Unity engine or whatever. Like suppose you are working on C++, simple snippet of your error, which error you are getting, which lines of code that you have written, and all those stuffs into the channel to get immediate help, right? So after looking at your question, the helper should get immediate understanding about your problem, and that's totally your responsibility. Okay, so please make sure that while asking any questions, you are following a pretty strict guidelines over instructiveness of your question. Okay, so just like programming, you will find a section of game development. Here you can see bunch of things like getting started. If you are facing issues in related to the installations or anything, very basic things, you can start with this channel, posting your doubts in this channel. Then comes Unity fundamentals. Here you can see Prabhat has already asked few of the doubts related to it. I guess those are addressed at the moment, because I guess I picked him up into the Discord, the DM. Prabhat, if you are still facing the issues, let me know. Then comes Unity Advanced. Here you can see bunch of high level discussions are happening related to the advanced concept. And yeah, like just like that, you will be asking Unity related doubts into these channels. As simple as that. Every channel has the dedicated responsibility. And the most important thing is, I will just open up the data structure. Here you can see. Can you see this help programming tag?
Yeah.
So while asking any question, you need to tag these roles. Help. Here you can see, if you type help, there will be 3 roles. One is game development, one is career, one is help programming. So if you are asking any doubts related to the data structure, C++, C#, tag help programming. If you are asking any doubts related to the Unity, please tag help game development, right? So simple, by hitting enter, you can tag these people. And if you look at this channel where you have assigned yourself a role, I guess help roles, right? First of all, go to this channel and assign yourself a role of help programming, help game development, and help career to get assigned to that role. So even you will also get notification if somebody else is tagging. Suppose Prabhat is tagging, then Aditya will also get a notification of that help. And as you guys are clanmates, you will also get notification. And here you can see already 13 and 14 people already reacted to this role, and now they have this role, and everybody who have reacted to this role will get a notification, and you will get an instant help from the community. And that's the power of community, and this is how you should be heavily using the Discord. I covered 3 important things. One is programming, asking doubts in programming. Then I covered asking doubts in the game development section. And then I covered help roles, where you just need to react to this emojis to get assigned yourself a role. And you should be asking doubt in a much more constructed way with a proper screenshots and tagging respected role. If you are asking game development help, and if you are tagging help programming, you are tagging irrelevant people, right? As simple as that. For career and placement category, if you are having any doubts, okay, how to apply internship, how to apply to a job, how to create your resume, how to create your portfolio, we have a dedicated section for help career as well. You can simply put all your doubts related to your careers into the jobs and internship channel and tagging to the respected people. Here you can see some of our community members has already shared an opening. We have a role in Unity game developer and a game designer. Please share your resume, something like that, right? So this is how.
I'll just interrupt you. I think
Mhm.
it's getting too much information, guys. Don't feel overwhelmed, because you have the public pages where you can refer to the content. Malar, what is explaining right now, is written there in theoretical form, and obviously you always learn more by doing. Okay. So please make sure you are reading about the help system that Malar has mentioned. And once you are starting facing, right now you'll be working with the C++ and C#. So I think those 2 channels will be very important for you for at least this week. And then Malar, can you quickly cover the LinkedIn channel that we were talking about?
Yeah. So yeah, like for jobs and internship, you can simply refer, and overall just go through all the channels. You will understand what is the role of every channel. It is not that hard.
And the theoretical part is written, guys, on the public page.
Yeah.
So always you can go back and refer there. If you get confused, DM me, DM Malar. We'll help you out.
Yeah. So here is the LinkedIn updates channel that you will find near to your clan 18. You won't be seeing any of it. As we guys are having moderator access, I can access any clan. But yeah, after dev clan 18, you will find this voice channel, and you will find clan discussions, LinkedIn updates, and all the stuff. So inside LinkedIn updates, here you can see a bunch of people have already shared the links of their post. Go ahead and watch their post, what they are building, what things they are developing, and react to their post, comment out, and to help them get a better reach in the LinkedIn as well, right? So this is how the community grows. Community grows together.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess that's about it related to the doubt assistance and overall Discord walkthrough. I will just wait for 1 or 2 minutes for any questions. Are you guys having any questions related to the Discord only? How to ask, where to ask, how to tag, everything is clear?
Mala, everything is clear, but you have not told about the assignment things. Like every day we are getting the assignment. Today we got the assignment 4 and 5. So if we stuck in that, where we have to go in the Discord, or who we have to DM directly? Like
So yeah. So if you
for
are
assignment 3, actually I faced some problems for the LinkedIn profile, so I just only have Aman sir to DM. So I have DM, he resolved my problem, but for further assistance, do we have any special?
Yeah, we got your question, and that's a very relevant question. So right now, since you're working on a non-technical aspect of the program, which is LinkedIn, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you can directly reach out to me. Anyone faces any issue with LinkedIn, you can directly reach out to me right now,
Yeah.
or Malhar, okay? But
Okay.
the help system that has been developed here, the dedicated channels that you see here, is for the technical, as you can say, C++
Okay,
is
sir.
there, data structure, and that
Yeah,
has
yeah.
not yet started, right? So that
Okay,
will
sir.
come once the modules start unlocking, and then you can use those channels, as mentioned here, as you can see, to get your doubts solved with the community. When it comes to the
Okay.
LinkedIn doubts, which are very much in non-technical in nature, you can just
Yes, sir.
directly reach out to me like you did, and I resolved it. Same with
Yes.
you can reach out to Malar as well. I'll prefer and we'll prefer if you do it to me, and you can bother Malhar for the technical stuff. So that even he can be take some relief. So don't worry about this.
Yes, sir.
For as you can see, for data structure in C++, very clearly written what you have to do,
Yeah.
where you have to tag. The channels are right there on your screen. Once those content gets start unlocking, I think your starter pack is going to get unlocked from Wednesday. So that's when you will start needing these channels. Okay, guys. So for LinkedIn, reach out to me. Don't worry about figuring out a lot of things. Simply reach out to me. Okay, for now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And yeah, like Malar, can we have to also cover code reviews, right?
Yeah. First of all,
Okay.
Akshay, can you just explain what exactly things you haven't got? Do we need to DM and tag or just tag? Don't need to DM, Akshay. If you are tagging, anyways, I will be getting a notification inside the channel, right? Because I have myself assigned to this every role, right? So don't worry. You just need to tag the relevant roles as per your doubt. So if you are facing any issues in the C++, tag the help programming. If you are facing any issues related to the C#, again tag help programming in data structure, C++ and C# channel. Okay, it is fairly straightforward. I hope this help system is clear.
Yeah, just to wrap this up, guys. Every module that you will be working on throughout the program has a dedicated channel. Okay, the commands, the tagging that needs to be done is going to be universal. That's going to be 3: help programming, help game development, and help career, because they 3 solve different problems. But you have dedicated channels for each module. It's very simple. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
So yeah, like doubt assistance I covered. Then comes the LinkedIn updates. So here I have already written where to post all the LinkedIn updates channel, as simple as that. Aman will take a look at the mat. You don't worry too much about the mat as of now, but yeah, Aman will take care of that. This is the most important thing. Okay. This is the code review. How do we tag ourselves to and all, or do we simply need to react? Simply need to react, Kumar. Just read that message. You will automatically get assigned to the role. Okay. You simply need to react. Okay. So yeah, like focus on code reviews as of now. I will take the questions later. Where should I share the LinkedIn profile on the big? So it is not showing. You don't have the permission to LinkedIn module. LinkedIn updates. You're talking about LinkedIn updates channel. Can anybody quickly check? Are you guys having permissions or not to react on to check on the LinkedIn updates channel?
Yeah, we have permission for LinkedIn updates.
Yeah, actually, I have permission on LinkedIn updates, but where Someone tagged me at Ashu, share your LinkedIn profile. It's not have permission.
I'm not getting your question actually. Who tagged you?
I think Sumit Bansal, I think.
Okay,
Someone is Sumit Bansal.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was another LinkedIn module channel actually. That was
Yes,
not
yes.
in the LinkedIn
Malar,
page.
Asutosh is talking about a thread that someone created
That was a thread
below the
which was
G18.
Okay. Inside G18, there was a thread right now. Okay, yeah. We will take a look at it later. But as of
who
now,
can I have the name who's not having the access as of now?
Sorry.
Who is it? Ashutosh, you are speaking?
Yes.
Okay, so you are saying you don't have the access to send messages in the LinkedIn thread I created in your channel?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. I'll just check. You are there in the Discord channel, right?
Yes. I'm there.
Okay, I'll check quickly. I'll quickly check. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Well, I think you need to quickly wrap code reviews.
Yeah. Rest questions, I guess someone can pick up.
I'll pick up. Yeah, please.
I just need to go to the other call as well, guys. But yeah, so code review system, guys. This is the most important thing. If you read this, like everything is written already here. To improve the quality of your development, it is super important to have a code review system, and you should be the active participant inside the code review system. Please go through the details of this page. As simple as that. You just need to click here. Then there are 4 sections, 4 pages. One is introduction. What is the goal of this code review system? How this will work? Mayank sir has recorded some of the videos. And if you are facing any questions, email us at this, or you can directly DM me and Mayank or Aman as well. So yeah, that's about it. About the introduction, you can anytime watch this. What is the goal and all the stuff? The simple goal is to make you a better game developer. As simple as that. That is the goal of this code review system. Then comes the request a code review. What will happen? Your code will get reviewed by many people. Your code will get reviewed by your clanmates, your seniors, your mentors, our alumni who are actually placed at the moment, also teaching assistant. So how you will do it? Here you can see all the instructions are already written here. You just simply need to access this form. Please make sure to bookmark this link for the future use. You simply need to click here to access the form, and you will be selecting your name. So here I am saying Prabhat. So here you can see I have selected, considering I'm a Prabhat, and I just selected Prabhat, my name here. And then which code review that you are submitting, according per that you just need to check this thing. Then submission type, is this a mat, is this a mini assignment, implementation, challenge? All the details that you will all the details about your submission will get revealed in the Google Classroom. Whether it is assignment, whether it is implementation, you can read it via the title. So you just need to select that, and then notion link of the problem statement. If you read this properly, if somebody else is reviewing your code, it is very important to understand the problem statement as well. So first you will give the problem statement link, and then you will give the either GitHub pull request link or REPL link. What is REPL and all the stuff, you will as proceeding further, you will get to understand that. So in short, first you will give the problem statement link, and then you will give your submission link or solution link. As simple as that. And you just need to click the submit. Then via the email, you will get your code reviewed. As simple as that. This is how the entire code review system will work. Simply you just need to fill this form. Then somebody, either that can be a teaching assistant, mentor, coach, your senior mates, as well as your batch mates, whoever has assigned this code review will be submitting the code review, and you will receiving the email. As simple as that. How to fill up the form and what exactly a code review system, is it clear?
Yes.
how to give a code review. There are detailed notes regarding it. You can go through it. Everything is written. Just spend few minutes to read about the code review system. Okay. After that, once you receive the code review, it is most important thing to feedback your reviewer as well. Where to give feedback? All the things that are mentioned in your email, that email that you have received as a review, in that email itself you will get a link to give a feedback. So you just need to fill that form that you have received in the email, and then reviewer will also get a feedback. Okay, have you liked the review or not, where the reviewer can improve as well. So it is a tight feedback system, right? First of all, reviewer is giving a feedback on your code, and now a requester is giving a feedback to the reviewer as well. So this is the tight feedback system, and make sure that you are actively participating. You are requesting your code review regularly, and you are also reviewing others' code as well, because that's an entirely different skill set. If you properly look at the introduction, this is the goal, to get the skill set of reading someone else's code, as well as actively participation of the submitting of the code request as well. It is also important. So yeah, any doubts regarding this code review system, guys? At the moment, everything is actually written here. You just need to spend a little bit time regarding on it, and then you will be super comfortable. But yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, all good. So Discord thing as well as code review thing, clear, right? Reviewing my own code, actually that doesn't make any sense. You will be submitting a request, and we will assign somebody else to your code review request. Okay, that Outscal team will handle internally. We will assign your request to somebody else apart from you, and somebody else will review your code, and same happens to you as well. You might also get assigned to somebody else review, as simple as that, because you will be also gonna become somebody's senior, right, as moving ahead. So you will be also reviewing your juniors code. You will be also reviewing your clan mates code as well. So this is how the code review system will work. Are you guys excited about this code review stuff? So basically, making a review out of my code will help me know about some shortcuts. Not about only shortcuts, but it will improve to write a better quality of code. There is something called as writing quality code, writing clean code or something, and that teaching assistant, coaches, mentor will help you to write that. And this is how you will be keep on improving assignment by assignment. Yeah,
the more code you get reviewed, the more you understand
yes, Arun,
how
yeah.
fundamentally you can make your code design better. Because at the end, in professional environment, and Malhar knows more about this than I do, a good coder is someone who just does a better job at designing a code,
Yeah,
as simple as that. And the more reviews you get, it's like iterations, and you get a more clear understanding. Okay, this is the best way, this can be the best way, right? So please make sure you request your code reviews and get it reviewed, check the feedback out, learn on it, grow, and then keep doing this cycle again and again.
Yeah. Sorry, guys, I just need to bounce off.
Thank you. No worries. Thank you,
Yeah,
Malhar,
bye-bye.
for this. I'm sure everyone else will have enough time to use this feature. So welcome back, guys. So before I start with some of the other critical aspects of clan operations, we will just quickly conclude what Malhar talked about. So these both the things are your tools, assets that you're getting in the program. First thing is Discord help, right? However you want to use it, the implementation, I'm not going to talk about it. I think Mala talked about enough. The rest you can check in the public page. It's a tool to use to make sure you don't get stuck. Your progress, your learning doesn't stop. You have more than 4,000 people in a community who are ready to help you out. It's just that you need to pick your hand, put it on the keyboard and type. That's it. We are giving you the tool. It's like an app. You have the feature, use it, right? Second feature is code review. Like I said, it's very important to learn, especially if someone is not coming from a coding background. Someone who's coming from a coding background, they will know more about code design. But at the end, it's all about learning, revising, reiterating, and then learning again. And that's where code review is. It's like an app feature where you can make sure you know where your lags are, where your missing points are. Because at the end of the 7 days, we want to make sure the cookie is completely baked, right? So we need to bake the cookie. So these two features will definitely help you out in baking the cookie along with anything else. Okay. Okay, great. So I hope the information was not too overwhelming. Even if it was, no worries. We always learn by doing and making mistakes. As far as theory is concerned, it's there on the page. Go through it. Don't understand, come to me, or use it yourself. You fuck up, you can come to me and tell me when I fucked up, and I'll help you out. Okay. So never be afraid of fucking up, and always keep doing. Awesome. So on that super amazing motivational note, I will quickly share my screen and we'll talk about okay. Okay, so I'll just reconfirm. Is everyone on GC? Has everyone is everyone present here can give me a quick show of hands who have joined Google Classroom? A very quick show of hands. Okay, because if you are not on Google Classroom, you don't have access to the program, guys. So it's like basic to the mission. Awesome. Okay, those who have not, please accept the invite. If you see the invite is not there, come to me. Okay, great. So we have some resources, helpful resources that you should have on a click of hand. So that is Discord, and so the 4,000 people in the community we talked about, you can go in details here to understand what the Discord is all about, what that community is all about, you know, what kind of resources you have in hand. So you have already done this, you already joined, right? So this is already done. Just to get a more brief idea about Discord, please go through this video because it's always picture is worth 1,000 words. So that will help you out immediately. Okay, so that's like a brief of Discord. Discord is our major form of conversation, communication, and the only form of conversation and communication. So please make sure you get used to it. I don't want you to become an expert overnight. It's just that keep that intent. Okay, no worries. Next is installations, critical installations. I think Discord. I think I'm hoping all of you have already done it. As far as Unity game engine and I think it's Visual Studio Code and SDK. You need to do it. It's a simple installation, guys. Just do it. And if you fix any issue, find any issue, let me know. Okay. Or you can actually tag it in client discussions when you're facing this issue. Tag me and Malhar that we are facing issue with installation. Okay. Next is Zoom meetings, because meetings are important. We are here right now on Zoom. So that's what the Zoom is all about. We'll have breakout rooms. So currently we haven't created breakout rooms for you all because we haven't assigned teams. I'll quickly cover that. What is a team and how is it different from a clan? Okay. So this is just a basic overview. Go through it. Nothing major. Okay. Yeah, this is very important because I know someone is coming from a different background. Everyone, we have like 15, 16 of you right now here, and everyone is coming from a different background. Everyone has a different learning process. Everyone kind of learns in their own time, in their own method. So to make sure that you don't get overwhelmed or underwhelmed, we have created a simple checklist for you all to make sure whenever you are starting a module, be it C++, be it data structures, be it Unity, you keep this in mind, okay? So this will just help you sort things out, you know, understand your own frequency and how you can, you know, because sometimes things get overwhelming, sometimes things get underwhelming. So both scenarios, keep this document in hand so that you have a clear idea what your progress is like uniquely to you. So till now, is everything clear?
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. And these things are all a click away. Make sure, that's why I said bookmark this page for yourself, because this is your public page. This is yours completely. Okay. Awesome. Okay, now we come to my favorite part. Okay, so what should we? Okay, well, let's do assessment first. So assessment is nothing but the ending of a module. And once a module is about to end, we have a 2 weeks of a assessment kind of, and it's not different. Nothing changes as such. It's just that those projects are more critical, right? And we have a very structured format towards it, as you can see. So we have interview preparation is there. In that you have your own self-recorded interview you have to do. Then you have paired interviews where you can pair up with your friend in the clan and work with him to create. So like someone can become an interviewee, I can become an interviewer, and that's the task. That's what it says. MAT is nothing but it's module assessment, right? That's a short form of module assessment test. And it's day one, day two. So day one, day two is basically the name changes depending on what project is coming out, right? So once you have it live for your own plan on Google Classroom, this will be replaced. Day one, day two will be replaced with the actual project name. Okay. So this is done 2 weeks. It starts on Monday religiously and it ends on a Sunday. And then you get 2 days gestation period. That's Monday and Tuesday, where you discuss what you have done throughout the mat, right? Try to digest this, process it, discuss it among your clan so that you can bake that product. It's all about baking that product. Okay. The more you discuss, the more you engage with your clanmates, the more better learnings you'll have. Okay. So that's why we give you 2 days after mat to just get that digestion going on. Okay, guys. So this always happens at the end of the module. Okay. So be it C++, be it Unity fundamentals, be it Unity advanced, be it DSA. DSA is data structure and algorithm. It's going to be true for all the modules. Okay. Correct. This is very critical. I said module instructions. Okay. So I'll not cover this again. We'll quickly jump back into my favorite thing. That's the XP system. Since you are in a game industry looking to become game developers, I sincerely hope you all know what XP is. Okay. Is there anyone who doesn't understand XP here? Okay. So I'll still reiterate. XP is nothing but experience points. When you play a game, you unlock experience points. Okay. Be it Temple Run, be it your Angry Birds, or be it AAA Main Street games. Okay, everything has XP involved, and the same thing is with this program. So the more you engage with the program, the better your XP is. And we have a leaderboard system, which you can clearly see it's here, which I'll cover in a bit. So we grade and score your assignments and your attendance. Okay, so now we'll go in what is it. Okay, so it's very simple. So yesterday there were assignments which are unlocked, right? And those assignments had certain submissions that you had to make. Okay. So now that submission has a due date as well, which is clearly visible on GC. Now, if you make that, and this is true for all the assignments, I'm just giving you an example of LinkedIn because that's happened yesterday. But this is true for all the assignments that's going to get unlocked. This is not true for theory. Study materials don't count in XP. That's study material. Those are not scored. Okay. But all the assignments, all the projects, all the challenges, all the quizzes are scored. And the scoring is fairly simple. If you are submitting on the deadline, before the deadline, you get 1 experience point. If you are giving a late submission, you get 0.5 experience point. And if you are not submitting at all, you get under, which is 0. Okay. This is as simple as that. Deadline is very clear on GC. It's visible. GC understands when you're submitting it, when you're pushing that submit button. You push it before the deadline, you get 1 XP. You push it after the deadline, you get 0.5. If you don't push it at all, you get 0. And as you can see, cutoff for progressing between modules. So it's as simple as a game. You need to defeat the boss, and to get to the boss, you need to have certain amount of XP. And if you don't have 80% of submissions, you won't be allowed to transition into the next module. You won't be allowed to level up. Okay, because it doesn't make sense leveling up since you have not finished the current level itself. I hope it makes sense to all of you, right? Okay, so the best part about XP submissions is that you can always submit, right? You can always get that 0.5 XP. There's nothing going to stop you from getting that 0.5 XP. With attendance, it gets a bit tricky. Okay, so if your attendance, let's suppose yesterday you had a session of 120 minutes, okay, and someone stayed over, everyone stayed over 90%, everyone gets 1 XP. If they stay for 80% of that 120 minutes, they get 0.5 XP. And if someone stays less than 80% of that session, it's going to be 0 XP. Okay, and an attendance is non-redeemable. You can't turn back time. I wish I could, but we can't. So once you lose the XP of attendance, you lose it. You can never harness it back. Okay. And the total XP, that's your grand XP, that's what your leaderboard is going to show you, is going to be a summation of your submissions and your attendance. It's very simple, right? And so there are two conditions for progressing forward. That is, for submissions, you need 80%, right, of total submission. And also you need to have a 80% of total XP. So let's suppose for one module, which was 1 month long, we totally gave out 130 XPs. And if someone is getting less than, I would say, 100 XP, less than 100 XP is not going to qualify. As simple as that. Okay, you can do the maths. 130, 80% of 130, whoever is less than that does not get to qualify. And in that 130, 70%, 70 points were of submissions, and someone is getting 80% below of that 70 total XP unlocked, you don't qualify. Okay, it's I think this has gone, everyone has gone through school. It's as simple as that. Okay, you have total marks, and then you have to make sure you have minimum cutoff marks. Okay, that's very simple. So this is how the whole XP is calculated. Then the code reviews are also going to get rated. So that's just going to add to the XP. It's not rated, it's not getting scored right now, but it will soon be scored in the XP itself, which I'll announce when it does. Okay, for now, only submissions and attendance. Now, this is what your leaderboard will look like. All you have to do is just click on this toggle, let it load. Sorry, yeah, okay, so we'll view a larger version. Okay, so right now it's obviously not available because none of you have made any submissions yet. So that will automatically get scored here. So your grand XP will be available here. That is, you're going to be total XP, and it's going to be sorted in descending wise, right? So the topmost will be top, the bottom will be bottom. So you can clearly see who the leaderboard, who's leading the leaderboard, who's lagging behind, right? And then you will get for different modules. So right now your LinkedIn module will come here, your starter pack will come here. Then when C++ is involved, then C++ will come here. Once DS is, so depending on whichever module you are working on currently, over here it will be visible. And then there will be a separate attendance, simple one column for attendance. Okay. And this is accessible to you. Like I said, it's there right there in your public page. So you can check this out on a daily basis so that you get to understand how much are you progressing. Okay. Am I
Yes.
making sense, guys? Okay. Just give me 1
Sorry,
minute.
sir. Sorry, sir. Yogesh said my name is not there. Yogesh name.
Yogesh is not there. Okay, I'll quickly get Yogesh here. Just give me a second. I'll quickly get Yogesh, but I'll make that change. Yogesh, guys, just give me a okay. Okay, fine. Is my screen visible still?
Yes.
Okay, Yogesh, don't worry. I'll just have to refresh this. Your name will be available here. Okay. Thank you for just pointing it out, though. Okay, great. So we have covered XP, we have covered assessment, and we have covered the resources that you have. So the resources will help you out in getting more XPs and scoring better in your assessment, right? So that's how they are interdependent. Okay, now we'll come to the program structure. So like I said, let's suppose you are finally 20 people in this clan. So so the clan will get divided into 4 teams, namely Mario, Contra, Far Cry, and GTA. And each team will have a 4 person associated with them. And then in this Zoom call itself, there's an option of creating a breakout room. Okay, so each, like a team Far Cry will have their own room, team GTA will have their own room, right? And then whoever is assigned to whichever team will come in the main room like we are right now. And once you all do your, evening welcome and stuff like that, you all can just quickly jump into your own rooms and then start working on the assignments that have been unlocked. Okay. So that's how, and the team is very important. The team is your first line of defense. Like, so this is how I propose the clans to solve their problems. You first, once you get stuck, you ask your teammates. That's your first line of defense. Okay. If it gets solved by someone from your team, awesome. If it doesn't get solved by someone from your team, you ask your clanmates. Okay. If it doesn't happen there as well, then you can quickly put it on the help channel. Okay. So these are your defense mechanism for your doubts. Will not cover team moderator. So the team moderator is someone who becomes the point of contact for each team, be it any kind of communication, be it any kind of feedback, be it any kind of general announcement. The moderator is going to take care of that. We will decide the moderator after this week. On Monday, coming Monday, you will know who the moderators are. We are not dividing you in teams as of now, but looking at the current strength, this is what the teams look like, and you all can refer here. I'll quickly show it to you. So right now we have GTA, we have Contra, we have Far Cry, we have Mario. I'm sure Yogesh is missing, so I'll quickly add him here. Okay, I can't. Okay. So just give me a second, guys. I'm just getting a call from a mentor. Okay, just give me a second. Hi guys, am I audible now? Sorry, there was some request from a mentor. Just let me know if I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So Yogesh, I'll definitely add your number here, name here. Just make sure you all understand. So there's GTA, Contra, Far Cry, Mario. This is what the teams, and this can be changed as well by Monday. Okay. This is just for example as of now, but this is how the whole 7 months will go on. So make sure you understand your teammates. Make sure you know them, because they will be very helpful in the whole learning process. Okay, guys. Any questions so far? No questions? Okay, great. So please guys, go through the material yourself, get familiar with everything. The mat, as I said, every module will follow up with an assessment round. Mat 1 and Mat 2 will share with you for completion. Interview preparation is part of the mat. As I said, the basic eligibility management completion, like if you don't meet the minimum criteria, it doesn't make sense to jump into the assessment. Yeah, for emergency and general reasons, you can skip some of the daily sessions, but no compromise will be intended for assignment submissions, guys. Yes, like I don't compromise.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Mat form.
I just explained the assessment, right? This is the assessment. This is what the mat is. Module assessment test is mat.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what it is, mat 1 and mat 2. Okay, mat 1, mat 2, it goes throughout 2 weeks of period. It happens after ending of the module. So C++ module will end, then mat will start, which we will call mat C++. Then let's suppose you're giving Unity Basics. Once Unity Basics ends, then you do, it's like a test after a course is over. As simple as that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Great. And as I said, passing mat is mandatory, and you won't pass mat unless you don't have enough submission assignments. So guys, please make sure you're not leaving out assignments initially, because I've seen this happening. Once people start leaving, it gets so overwhelming with this so much of assignments coming out, right? So make sure you are submitting it, keeping a grip on the number of pending assignments so that it doesn't get overwhelming. Okay. And if you need any kind of help in terms of motivation, in terms of technical help, whatever, reach out to the clan and everything. But at the end, you can come to me as your final choice as well. Okay. I'll make sure whatever is happening or bothering will gets cleared up. Don't be late in giving feedback, guys, especially bad feedback. I love bad feedback. I want to understand where my program is fucking up. Don't come to me after 1 month, because then it's no use. Okay. So be proactive. We will share forms with you all the time. All you have to do is quickly take out 1 and 2 minutes of a time and give us feedback. Code review system, I think Malhar has already covered, and I think I've also given you a brief intro what it is. It's just a feature that you need to use to make sure you become a better game developer and a code designer. Okay, so I won't cover team moderators. I think covered basically is our first point of contact. The team moderators make core responsibilities to making sure everything is crystal clear between Outscal team and the clan, right? In terms of feedback, in terms of communication, whatever it is. And the moderators will be decided post this week. That is on Monday. Okay. Okay. So now I'll give you guys quickly 5 minutes to ask your questions. Just let me just stop share. Okay. I'll come back on screen. Arun has a question. Yes, Arun, please go ahead. Arun,
no, sir. No, I don't have.
Achha, you have your hand up. Okay.
No, it's before previous.
Okay. So guys, do you have any questions regarding current assignments that have been unlocked? Regarding the LinkedIn assignment, do you have any queries? All of these assignments are scored, so make sure you're submitting them.
Yeah, hi Aman, this is Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby, tell me.
Yeah, actually, Aman, I have a doubt regarding the assignment that was a 200-day challenge at Outscal. I'm right. So like
Okay.
we have to submit the link of the post. So we have to submit on like link of the all 200 dates or just a one link. Which one? I'm confused.
So right now, don't worry about what more needs to be done, right? Look, right now you have to at least put one status up, right? You have to put one update up for that 200 week challenge, right? So simply do that.
Actually, we have to submit the link of the post. So like which post, like first post or like every update we post on the LinkedIn that
No,
we have
that's
to
what I'm
submit
saying.
like.
Right now, only one post. You can't do 200 posts in a day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's going to come to you after every assignment. It will tell you, post this. This is part of 200. So right now you have to post just one link, right? Whatever, jo bhi abhi, whatever link you have to post is always going to be unique. It's a trend, which is a 200 days. So yeah, it might, you have to post it after every day, but you will only do it if you are doing your assignment, right? So if you are doing the assignment, you will have the content to post on a daily basis. That's the kind of engine we want to create. We want to create your brand in LinkedIn, and the only way to create your brand is by publishing content. And that's why this 200 days challenge. So earlier to this, there was a 100-day challenge where people were constantly, and this was kind of a trend which was organically done by the alumni of Outscal, and they themselves wanted to do this, and they got so much of clout, so much of recognition, that the company started to reach out to them, because there's a very much requirement of good talent right now, okay, especially in game industry. So that, like I said initially, the push and the pull, and all of these are tools to make that pull happen, where people start noticing Bobby, people start noticing Jishan, Divesh, Satya, that these are the people who are actually making content in the terms ki you are doing projects. That's your content. Your content is not a TikTok music, right? Your content is actual core development that you're doing using the assignments, and all you're doing is putting it out there. So be it every day, be it 5 days in a week. If you have the content, do it every hour, right? So what we can assure you is that you will get good content to publish on a daily basis. Okay, now it's up to you how much you utilize it. Okay, Bobby.
Come on, thank you.
So right now, don't think, oh my God, I have to do it for 200 days. No, no. Just take it on a day. That's what I'm saying. Take it one day at a time. Okay. The goal is
Okay.
to do assignments. The goal is to get the project and get it done. Okay. Okay, guys. Anything else quickly? You won't get XP. Yeah, if you don't do the assignments, if you don't make the submissions, you don't get the XP. So yeah, that's very clear, Divesh. All of these assignments are scored. So guys, please make sure you get a head start. Start submitting them. Simple exercises, but very, very critical to creating your own brand and the final placement process that's going to happen. We don't expect you to get placed at the end of 7 months. That's the worst case scenario. I think Amit is joining us late. I think Amit has missed all the session. Hi Amit, you joined quite late. No worries. I think you will have the recording, which you can review for later purposes. Okay, so what I was saying. Okay, fine. So I think submissions are done. Just make sure you're submitting your assignments. Make sure you are never getting leaving assignments too late because they start piling on. And these are like starter things that I'm saying, because right now the program will start with a simple lower frequency and then it's gonna just take on. Okay. So the more hold of it you have, the better it is. Okay. Okay. So do you all have any question related to the submissions that you need to do now? No? Okay, fine. In future, if you have any doubt, just reach out to me over Discord. Okay, guys? Okay, so I'll quickly, okay, where is that? Awesome. So I will quickly make, I think I'll make Bobby, I'll make you the host. Okay, please stay on the call. So this is how your sessions are going to be like from Monday to Thursday, 7 to 10. That's booked for Outscal. From on weekends, that's Saturday and Sunday, you'll have to book, which is already booked, I'm sure, on calendar, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. And your mentor will be coming twice in a week for 2 hours. So that's 4 hours of total mentor time in a week. Okay, guys. You're supposed to be in this call. You're supposed to solve your doubts. You're supposed to do your assignments right here in this 3 hours. Okay. Not that I'll do it later in the night. I'll do it. No, this 3 hours is where you can work more afterwards. You can work more before. But for these 3 hours, it's mandatory that you are sitting here and getting those assignments, those study materials, and those discussions going on. Okay. Awesome. So I think Sumit, you were asking how will I connect with my friends, with my clientmates. Sumit is here. Yeah. So now you can clearly connect with them. Last time, I think yesterday it went a bit longer than expected. So that's why you all didn't have a proper session. Today you can have a proper session on the LinkedIn segments. Whatever needs to be done, do it. If you face any issues, reach out to me. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Aman.
Awesome. I'm right here on Discord all the time. Never hesitate to reach out. Never hesitate to give feedback. Something is not working out, let me know immediately, guys. Immediately. Not like I reach out to you and then you're like, Aman, ye problem ho gaya tha, ye ho gaya tha. Time goes away. We can't turn back time. Okay. Awesome. I'm really excited. I'm very excited. I always get very excited when a new plan is coming in. And I have a saying that just give me your dedication and give me your time. Rest I will handle. आपकी placement, आपका experience, आपका learning process सब देख लूँगा मैं. All I want from you is the right motivation and the right dedication. That's it. Okay, guys. My background is inversed. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, let's go. So yeah, keep the energy high, guys, and reach out to me on Discord for any issues. Never hesitate. Don't think for yourself, कि, "अरे, ये stupid question है." Generally, people become this, right? Oh my God, this is not worthy enough question. Don't. Let me decide if it's a stupid question or not. You ask. And Sumit, it was a very good initiative that you took today. So please make sure you keep taking initiatives.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Awesome. Awesome, guys. Do I have chat? Do we have any questions? You won't get XP. I didn't send link, but have. No, it doesn't. Until unless you don't send the links, until unless you don't submit, it doesn't count actually. Sorry, any tips for summary? Summary for what? Gaurav? Gaurav is here. Yeah, Gaurav. If you want to be able to tell me how, like LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn summary is very simple. I think everything is written there. So that's the best part. We don't even ask you to create your own message. We give you a complete standard template. All you have to do is put in the variables, put in your own work there, and that's it. And copy paste and send it out there. You know, don't have to waste so much of time. The main time that you have to spend is doing that project, getting that link up. And then you have all the message exact templates that you can simply copy paste, put in your name, put in your variables, which will be unique to all of you, and just done. Ho gaya, khatam. Okay. And trust me, guys, you'll feel the benefit of it in coming 1 to 2 months itself. The kind of if you are using it like we want you to use it, like I have seen other clan members use it, they get offers from different companies in the second month itself. We don't encourage second month offers, but that's what I'm saying. Pull, don't push. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Anything else? Your background is inverse. Thank you, Devesh. Too late. Yeah, I'm asking seniors will my code. Yeah. Seniors will. So there are seniors, mentors, coaches. Everyone is there in that 4,000 of community, and all you have to do is just press that button, put @help, whatever help you needed, and the community is with you. Okay. Awesome, guys. So I'm very excited for this. Please make sure you're utilizing this time. I want everyone you to be on top of the XP. Let's not lag behind. Okay. Awesome. I'll see you guys later then. Okay, guys. Okay. Bobby, I'm making you the mod. Okay.
Okay, so like we have to end the session on
Don't end
10
the
o'clock.
session. No. 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
7 to 10. 7 to 10 weekdays. It's right there in your calendar, right? Everyone has their calendar invite set. So your Monday to Thursday is booked. Friday is free. Saturday and Sunday is booked. Don't end the meeting. Stay here. Do the assignments together. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Right, sir.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
is there anyone who's not familiar with the Hindi?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with Hindi.
Okay.
Like I can understand, but I can't speak properly.
Okay,
Speak
you can
properly
understand.
Hindi, but can't understand.
So, like, you can't understand Hindi, so how can you speak? I didn't get
That
it.
was the point. I didn't get that also. That if you are speaking, not speaking, if you are speaking, sorry, my
Mhm.
bad. If you are speaking, then how is it possible you not to understand that Hindi? Then how you are speaking? Are you doing some reading or recognizing what you are doing that?
So, like, Sumit, where are you from?
I'm from MP.
MP. And Aditya looks like you are from
Yeah,
Assam.
I'm from Kerala.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad. You're from
Like,
Kerala.
Yeah, I can understand Hindi a little bit, so it's fine. I can't like speak properly. Okay, I won't get the words in my head quickly.
yeah, no
Okay.
issue. It's not
No
an
issue.
issue.
At the end of this class, you will surely speak Hindi and will be understanding Hindi as well. I think so. Or the English is there, na? Nothing to
Yeah.
worry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything will be like, I'm just asking if everyone is comfortable with Hindi, so like we can talk in Hindi. But
Ah,
like, yeah, but so there's
Yeah,
actually,
yeah. You can speak in Hindi. It's fine with me.
yeah, no issue. Actually, we
Uh,
have to practice that. Like, we always have to try to speak in English. It doesn't matter you while like you are speaking like wrong or right. That's not matter. Like in the end, you will learn. So just
yeah.
try to always try to speak in English. Actually, even I'm not like perfect in it. When we do mistakes, then we will learn as we don't
कोई
make
गुजराती है
mistakes.
क्या यहाँ पर? Is there any Gujarati?
No, brother. No, any.
No, but I can understand Gujarati.
Okay.
I'm little bit.
Let it be. There is only Marathi here. Marathi.
Understand Marathi?
Yes,
I
Malhar
can
is
understand.
I can speak Marathi. I'm from Pune.
Oh,
I can understand.
you are from
At
Pune.
Navi Mumbai.
Okay. I just love Gujarati and Marathi both. So I just
Okay.
want to learn them, how we can speak or how we can learn, from where we can learn.
So Prabhat, where are you from? And Gaurav, where you guys
I'm
are?
from
Where are you
Odisha.
from? Oh,
Odisha.
Odisha.
Nice.
And you guys?
Actually, I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Oh,
Yep.
the
My
city of
native
girls.
place is Gurgaon, bro. Very
Devesh,
close.
are you from Gurgaon?
My native place is I'm currently at Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
Like,
I have a question.
yeah.
Yep.
Who from all of us has got Paratha Gali from the to Delhi?
I've heard it.
Per
Paratha
day.
yeah. Me.
Per day Paratha Gali.
I have it.
Are you sure about this?
This, your voice breaks, I think.
We're talking about food now.
Today my phone is just on 10%, so
Okay.
my voice might be breaking. I think. Are you going? Are you saying that you are going to Paratha Gali every day?
No, no,
No.
no, no.
Like who uh
Uh,
we don't have that money, na, so we can spend it daily on these type of stuffs.
It's actually very unhealthy. I, I don't get luxury to get the home
Okay.
food.
Next one is I like Sarafa in Indore. Anyone?
Salam.
No, I didn't hear about that even.
Sarafa in Indore, famous for the foods, street foods. We can say malpua and many of the things are there. It's like a night chapati in Indore.
I've only been to Indore once when the flight stopped and then it wanted.
Okay. Actually, I was in Indore for teleperformance. That time on the 12 p.m., no 12 a.m., we go to the Sarafa and enjoy that food, malpua and all these things.
So who's lagging behind in the assignments and all, so that we can help each other
I
if
am.
we can.
I am.
So which one, like today's
assignment?
or
No. The assignment that were are in a classroom that I had completed, but I kind of joined this program late. I mean yesterday, so I don't know
So
about the.
you can find the recordings in the YouTube as well.
No, I didn't
You can
find it.
go through all the. Just type.
actually, just give me a second. I will share it with you. Actually, that will be in Clan 18 Discord channel.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
can
okay,
check it out.
I'll check it.
Yeah.
The
You can
want,
simply type Outscal Clean 18 and you will get the recordings of yesterday on the YouTube.
okay. Guys, can you tell me how the admission process works? I just paid my bill fee yesterday, and I didn't completed the game. I didn't complete the game that we have to submit.
The trial game.
Yes, it's
Haven't
with the
completed
blocks
any
behind it.
game.
Bro, go for rock paper and scissors. It's one of the easiest game.
The Ripple project, right?
But I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have the link. I don't have the link.
Just type Ripple, na? Just type Ripple in Google.
Has anyone completed 3D battle tank?
Yeah, I did the battle tank.
How much time did it take to complete it?
I don't 2 hours or something.
Have you completed Battle Tank? I've got too many errors. Can you see my errors?
Yeah, I can fix your errors.
Oh, wait.
Okay, guys, my phone is just on 5% now. So I have to leave now. So
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
Bye bye to everyone. It's so nice to
Bye-bye.
meet you all.
Yeah,
Take care.
bye.
Bye bye.
We don't
Bye.
have to
Thank
do it, I
you.
guess. Bobby will be responsible.
Hello, guys. Can you tell me the assignment our mentor is talking about? I was late, that's why.
There's a link. What was the link?
Have you joined the GC Google Classroom? Amit, have you joined the GC?
No. I was not there, no? That's why.
Check your mails. You had received invitation for the GC. Just join the GC, and assignment will be posted there. Then you have to submit that. And if you didn't receive the invitation for the GC, you can contact Aman on Discord.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Can I share my screen now?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
But I
Who
think
says
you
disable
don't.
participants?
Yeah. I have to make it.
Bobby, give me permission to publish.
Bobby has that.
Who is this sharing? Who is this
Divesh.
sharing this? Divesh. Okay. Yeah, Divesh, you are the co-host now. You can share your screen.
Oh, this assignment is about LinkedIn, no?
Yeah, exactly.
LinkedIn, start your own.
I saw your error in the in the Discord. Yeah. Can you show me the code? I think it was tank controller code.
Actually, you haven't assigned the object. I think that's the error.
Yeah.
That's why error is
I
showing.
think so.
Can you show me the
tank controller code?
Yes, tank spawner or whatever the code.
It's in the project.
Yes. So new tank. So
everything.
here is the tank new. You haven't assigned the game object. Just drag and drop the.
You can click on that toggle.
Yes. You can click on also and drag and drop also.
Yeah.
What do I have to drag and drop? The tank?
Drag and drop the yes, tank. Simply drag and drop. No. On that, on particular.
Okay.
No. Wait.
You should talk one by one.
Yes, of course.
So
click on the tank spanner object came out.
Yes.
Go down. There was an none tank. Click that.
Click there. Yes.
Yeah, so it was not showing because of the code was like that. Okay, we cannot able to find it
You
there.
want to see my
So
script?
yeah. So maximize that project window. I mean,
May I
go to that
speak?
model prefabs or anything.
Model. Okay.
Yeah, here left side is.
Or do you want to see my model script?
No.
Actually, I'm not getting this.
The folders are there now.
Okay.
In project window, it was a project window.
Project
Okay.
window.
The prefabs models.
Prefab.
Yeah.
Hello.
The prefabs. The tank is there, no? Tank.
Yes. Drag and drop.
Guys, can you hear me?
Okay.
First,
For that, you have to select the tank spawner first.
Yeah, tank.
Like,
Then log the
yeah,
screen.
yeah.
Yes. Log the screen.
Then drag and drop.
Drag and drop on particular, not on below.
There,
exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's now.
Now play.
Now play.
Arun, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you, Sai.
Yeah, finally.
Play it. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
I've only done Mr. Blocks and this looks advanced.
Yeah.
Did it spawn?
Aditya and Devis are pro game developers.
No, I'm not. I'm completely newbie. Ashutosh.
I can tell
Aditya
that
has
Device
published
of
more games.
I can tell that Device is a pro gamer.
Yeah. You can't be a pro gamer.
Hello, Devesh.
The tank hasn't spawned yet.
Actually, can you show me the code? Yes.
Scripts there, no? Prefabs folder, those things. Yeah.
Yes.
Got it.
Have you used any instantiation or something like of functions?
Oh yeah.
Or
I've used
yes. On which the
Can you see?
Yes. Now there. Game object dot instantiate tank dot. I think the
No, he hasn't instantiated the tank view.
tank.
No, he set the tank controller to the
Actually,
tank view. Yeah, but he hasn't instantiated the tank view.
It's
under the
private
tank
there, but it's private showing. It's a private. How does it show on the as a publicly?
Go to the tank spawner script.
Yes.
Yeah.
And from inspector column, yes, tank view. So no, it's not there.
No, take the tank controller script, and you're missing a line. It's you told like to the controller that tank model is this, like tank model is equal to underscore tank model, but you haven't told what is tank view. See, tank view is like there's nothing in tank view. You set the controller for tank, so you have to instantiate tank view.
Tank view on the tank view, exactly. On
Yeah.
tank view, exactly.
Yeah, you have to.
A tank view dot set tank controller is there, no?
Yeah, you instantiated the okay. You instantiated the tank view. Yes, okay.
Tank view,
but you haven't told Unity that tank view is equal to that thing. So
first of all, it should actually. First of all, it should be public because it won't be shown the Unity.
No, it's private is enough. Private is enough.
Private, how would it show? I think
it's in tank controller. So private, the code, the tank view variable doesn't go out of tank controller script. So making it private is a good practice. So what you have to do is you have to write one more line of code, and that is instantiate. After instantiate, there's a bit like I think it was right arrow and left arrow. Then no, after no, just after instantiate before the bracket.
You
have
can
to
say in that
instantiate.
line number, no?
Yeah, line 16. Line
Yeah,
16. Go after game object dot instantiate, and then you have to tell what is it that you are instantiating. That you are instantiating a tank view. So you need to put arrow brackets, and then inside that you have to write tank view. No, like that. Like the arrow bracket. Like, oh, look how do I like? I'm typing. I'll type the code in the
better
chat.
than like that, right?
Curly
Better
bracket,
than-
Yeah, just type it in chat.
Yeah. Okay. Like that arrow.
Yeah, that one is greater than less than symbol one.
Yeah, the greater than less than symbol. Yeah, greater than less than symbol. That's it. That's it. No, don't delete that. Don't delete that. Just add that greater than less than.
Instead of curly brackets, use that
No,
greater than. Yeah.
No.
Not instead of.
Yes.
No,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
in.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah, in between.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will going to get that game object.
Yeah. Capital tank, capital T tank, capital V view.
Copy paste.
Yes,
You're going to copy paste.
You have written a small thing.
No. Yeah, I written small letter. Wait, copy paste this.
Yeah.
Aditya, which team are you on?
I think it was in Far Cry. I think.
Great. I'm saved.
Not like that. Not like that. Wait, I'll write the whole code, whole line.
Hey guys, did today team is assigned or hello
Yeah.
team today?
What?
Is team is assigned today?
No.
On Monday. On Monday.
On Monday, okay.
They are just a temporary team.
Okay.
Sai Kumar, be careful.
Hey, better be.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello guys. Is this the second session for Client 18?
Yep.
Yeah, I missed the yesterday's session. Could you guide me where to find that session?
YouTube.
Yeah, there is.
I will post the link here.
Link
Yeah,
also.
I have shared it already. Just check it out.
And the assignment and the game that you are working on right now. Is it the bonus assignment or when was it?
No, actually, this was like a part of a trial session that you joined. It's a bonus challenge.
Oh, it was the bonus challenge in trial session, right?
My errand went to from 4.
Okay.
Devesh, can you just press the clear in console so that if a new error is there, we can see, like in left part.
Hello.
Let's just click clear. No, the top console. Left.
Bottom.
So clear the console. Just
yeah.
Just click.
Just clear. Yeah. Okay. So
one more.
Tank view is wait, cannot convert Unity game object to tank. Okay. So wait. I'm my mistake. I forgot one more. A single. Wait. My bad. Yeah, you need to write the brackets, small bracket after tank
for the
view.
function.
Yeah. You're
I
using
think dot.
oh wait,
Dot should also be
Aditya
there. I
said.
think so.
Aditya
no
said
no
something on chat.
For the function accessing the.
no wait, that's not wait, that's not the issue. Wait, let me check. Visual Studio, yeah, Visual Code. It's better. The arrow won't show in you Visual Community. You're using Visual Community, isn't it? Are you using Visual Community or Visual Studio? It's Visual Community. Yeah. I think it's just give me a moment.
We are accessing the component, so I think the dot
Yes,
should be there.
and oh wait, I'm a mistake. You don't need to write dot game object. You're converting tank view into a game object. That was the issue. We don't need to convert to game object because we are telling Unity. So the line is that game object dot instantiate is telling Unity to instantiate a game object of type tank view, and we are converting that into a game object. So that's why the error is there. So
Can
just
anyone tell me what's the meaning of instantiate? Is it like instant form?
so this much. Wait, not that. This is enough. Wait, I made a mistake again. Wait. I'm copy pasting. This is enough. Yeah.
Errors.
Set an object. Pause the game and pause the game and double click it again. Double click on the error. Play the game again. And double click on the error. It's showing the same error again. I think it's because
Guys.
Yeah.
Oh no, nothing now, maybe.
Try this code. You need to instantiate before you set the controller. You need to drag that to the top under tank model. Just type this code. Type the code I wrote. And you
The last line should be on the second. Should be on second line. Copy the whole line and it should
Cut
be
and paste in between the lines. Cut and
between
paste.
the line you. Paste it there.
Devesh?
Devesh, we are waiting to paste you there.
Should I paste it on 13 or not? Okay.
Yeah.
Now replay the.
Pause the game
Replay
and yeah, stop the gameplay and then play again.
I think it's an internet issue.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So where is the camera?
Yeah, I think.
Don't care about
Camera part will be next day.
Oh.
Nice one.
Okay.
So
click on the game view and press ASD. Game view down is there, no?
So
Devesh, Devesh is working, right?
yes, Devesh is working.
You know, Devesh, on tips for you. In that hierarchy folder is there, no? I mean, view. Yeah, there was on blue. Yeah, that one. Click that one. Yeah. Now it will be good. You don't need to click those things. Okay. No.
No, it's a prefab.
Go back.
So
Yeah.
go back from
For
left.
this project,
top left.
near
top left,
autosave.
back.
Near autosave, one arrow is there, no?
No,
Down,
that's
down.
a arrow.
Wait. Near
Just-
autosave. I mean, complete level artist there, no, that name.
No, the plus sign. The plus. Go to put your crosshair on the plus sign and then go below. Go below.
Just down. Just down. Just below there.
No. Come down.
No, not the drop down.
Don't move the. Don't move
Yeah,
the.
just don't click it. Just move it there. Move your.
No, don't go to that plus symbol. Just see what we are saying. Don't go. 1 second. The plus symbol is there, no? Down there, one arrow mark is there, no? Back button. Back like.
दिवेश जो प्लस के नीचे एरो है ना
Front
बैक
of
उस पे क्लिक
blue.
करना
Yeah. No, below
नहीं
that.
जो
Below that.
इसके नीचे जो एरो
Below
है
that.
इसके नीचे जो
इसके नीचे जो है
Yeah, this.
इसके ऊपर
Just above.
हाँ, इसके बगल में
Left.
लेफ्ट
वो जो
साइड
छोड़
Up.
can
complete
one
yes,
बस सही पकड़े
सही जा रहा है
Say, do again. Yeah, you can practice it. You know, that is one. That one is prepare. Okay, Divesh, do you hear me, Divesh? That one is you know that after that after we make that as a prefab, it will become as a blue color. Okay, so we can edit. We cannot. I mean, we can edit, but it will not save in that prefab. So we want to edit inside that. Okay, you opened that, no? Yeah. After that, yeah. If you continue the project, means you can know about the prefab also.
Charge your laptop also.
Yeah.
Charge your laptop also.
Oh. Otherwise, everything off. Go off.
Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen. That's it. Okay. Okay.
It's like I'm watching a grown-ups comedy.
अच्छा, कोई मुझे ये बताएगा जो हमारे असाइनमेंट है तो हमें जो क्लासरूम दिया गया है उसी में ही हमें लिंक सेंड करने हैं उसके?
हाँ
ओके ओके, जो उसमें एक मिनट माय वर्क करके है।
yes you have to put a link or whatever they have asked for. You have to just
असाइनमेंट सबमिट कहाँ करते हैं, यानी उसके लिए
असाइनमेंट पे जब आप क्लिक करोगे तो वहाँ पर टर्न इन का ऑप्शन आएगा।
ओके
उस टर्न इन में अपनी लिंक्स वगैरह पोस्ट करके वहाँ पे से टर्न इन कर दोगे तो सबमिट हो जाएंगे।
तो ठीक।
या
आप में से कितने लोग हो जिनको प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज है?
Instead, you should be asking maybe.
थोड़ा बोल रहा हूँ। Didn't get it. Just what are you saying?
So Aditya, you had published some games on on Play Store and App Store,
No,
right?
I haven't published games on Play Store. I tried to publish it, but monetization is not an easy coding. I tried to monetize it and my whole code just bailed on me. So monetization is not my thing. I didn't publish it. I still have the game though. Like, still have
So
few games.
what kind of a project currently you are working on?
I'm working on a lot of games right now, right? Like I made a multiplayer game, but like there isn't much to play in it. Just you can just move around, like make a lobby, move around it.
So can you show us your lobby?
Yeah, of course. Let me turn it on.
Yeah, I think you have a creative mind, so I thought you had built something crazy.
Yeah, I built something crazy, of course.
Yeah, I believe.
Yeah, I think I'll share my screen. Give me screen.
Oh, just give me a second. Yeah, I make it you co-host.
Okay.
Helix jump. Helix jump.
Yeah, Helix jump. Yeah, I made it.
You discussed about it yesterday, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you show that next? Can you?
Yeah.
It looks like you are a heavy Valorant player.
Yeah, I'm a Valorant player. I
Yeah,
play
I just
Valorant.
started.
I once tried it, but the recoil is crazy, so I left it.
Yeah, that's why same here. I switched to GTA 5. It's crazy to drive car and it's easy to play with
I
that.
get it. Yeah, I get it.
So
I
anyone
play
here?
Valorant and Rocket League.
Rocket
Yeah, I have
I haven't
Rocket
tried
League.
Rocket League yet.
Yeah, we will play it together someday.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, is there anyone who already worked on photon or localization type of things?
Yeah, I've worked on Photon.
Photon.
Yeah.
So, which type of game have you implemented on Photon? Like,
This is the game that I made on Photon.
so it's Pun 2 or Pun Classic?
There's nothing like you can just move around. That's the only thing you can do in this game. That's
No, I'm asking that have you used Pun 2 or just a Photon Classic?
oh yeah, Pun 2.
Okay.
Creating like a ABC.
And 18.
Create. Yeah, you can just move around. That's the only thing you can do in this game right now.
So,
Oh, it's
Is it
moving.
like
I
a-
thought. I did.
Is it
Yeah.
like inside a bottle or something?
And no, I just made a random circle in Photoshop and just
random space.
yeah,
Okay.
a random space,
Yeah, okay.
and it's stuck now.
With map system also.
No, yeah, we have a little bit of mini map system here.
Yeah.
so did you watch tutorials or from by
Yeah, I
self?
watched tutorials.
Which channel?
I watch a lot of channels.
I also do, but which one?
No,
Oh, do
Helix,
Helix
actually Helix Jump, I didn't watch tutorial for that. I made it myself.
Okay.
Wow, great.
I also developed worked on many games like. Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I like, I made a slow motion effect.
So these like these levels or what you can say walls, like these are randomly creating or like you
Yeah,
need
randomly
setup.
creating. Yeah, actually, this is the block, and this is like in an like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks.
Yeah.
And in the script, what it does is that here is a spawn point, and it spawns the block just like this. See, it's the center point is like that, and it selects a single block from this.
Randomly.
Randomly selects a
Selects a
block
Selects a block.
and deletes that block.
And destroy. It's like something like destroy.
Deletes. Yeah. So basically, I create the block and then destroy one block and then drop
just
it down.
play the game.
Can you
Yeah,
please
just
show
play
me
the
the
game.
code of this
script?
Yeah, before that, can you please like just play the game and like stick to this scene view?
Scene view, yeah.
Even before it creates, it's not there.
Yeah, it's I think it's in like one frame or something.
It's destroying like before the like.
Yeah,
spawning
randomly
of the
destroying.
boss.
I think
Yeah.
randomly
No,
destroying the.
what I thought means
Destroying
that
before it's
yeah,
spawning.
yeah. I thought that red point will go here and there, and it will destroy the
Yeah,
block.
Exactly. I also
I
thought
thought so
like.
that too.
Now this red is just for the collider.
Yeah.
Just for like.
I got.
Got it.
A rigid body, right?
So can you play this game again? Like on game view. Just play it.
That's not selected yet. Maximize on play.
Nice. How did you make it slow motion, by the way?
That is that's it's actually a bit complicated code. What I did
You can
was
call it a secret.
no,
Clamp.
no, not clamp.
Yeah.
It's called a
INM letter.
coroutine. Yeah, it's a
coroutine.
it's a coroutine. Yeah, it's So
Yeah.
it basically just takes the time and then like halves
okay,
the
okay,
whole
okay.
time scale.
Nice.
So time scales is used for the pausing the game also. And
Yeah, if you put the time scale is like
this is zero,
the speed
zero.
of,
Then it
yeah, the time scale is like the speed in which the whole thing runs.
Yes,
Like
yes, yes, yes.
the time progress. So one is like real time,
Exactly.
and if I divided it with the slow time so that I can adjust it whenever I want.
About to be zero. The more you
Yeah.
make
Yeah, and
close
there's
to the
also like,
zero.
yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I understand.
I'll show you the. I think it was helix hexagon.
Flappy Bird is there. I saw.
Yeah, Flappy Bird is there.
So is there snake game? I think.
Yeah, snake game.
So it's a
didn't-
mobile. It's a for mobile or just for PC? It's a touch.
Yeah, it's a like in the latest version of Unity, if you put like the mouse settings, like if you
Yes,
put
yes.
like mouse button, like it actually
Acts as
can be
touch.
used as a touch.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah,
clicks.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so you
will
don't.
work.
But generally snake game it's not just like on clicking, and it's something different for the snake game. We have to use like touch dragging, something like dragging or touch type of concept, because a snake game
Yeah.
is something different.
But mouses are only clicking objects, right?
Yeah, clicking, and also if you
clicking,
click
clicking, but you have to move the snake on particular
Direction. Yeah.
in particular direction, exactly. So I think the mouse click won't work, I think.
Mouse click,
maybe
Mouse click will work. It will.
No,
and
I think
mouse drag. Maybe.
no,
Mouse
drag will
click-
also not work. A drag is a different thing.
No, mouse.
In older games, there are 4 points for each action.
Yeah, exactly. You can use that also.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the game that I made, and
To
I
try to
think it's
publish in Play
still,
Store, yeah.
yeah, it still has that.
Looks very professional.
Yeah.
So like how many levels in there? Like
Like it randomly generates level, randomly generates.
18,060 I score. Great. Nice.
Yeah.
So
You can try it in FB, right? Facebook, like this. Many games are there. Facebook games, no? Ajit, do you hear me?
Yeah, I can try.
So it's an Unity ads.
Yeah, Unity ads, but that's the only thing that's working. Like, see this, it shows an error right after that.
Rewarded ads not working, I think.
Yeah, reward ads is,
when ads start.
So rewarded ads, have you given the button or something for the rewarded ad? Or
Yeah, give the button, the yes
which one?
button.
I also implemented the rewarded and it's working.
Reward button is working. Like I think the yes button was rewarded.
Which one?
Right. If I die, this button.
Okay, so when the game is over, and if you
if you see this ad, then this
I saw
will
your
be
score, like
reactivated.
it's 80,060. 5 to 10 seconds.
That's
so
I think I implemented a script for that. I think it was player something. No. script I wrote. I think it was no, player. I think it was in player script. It's called a player prefab. Player
Player pref,
Yeah,
player
player
prefs
prefs.
for
Yeah,
the for storing
yeah,
the highest score
yeah.
and
For
it's
storing a high score and your name.
yes,
So like when
yes,
I
yes,
play,
yes,
this is my coins
yes,
and
yes.
this is the score.
Yeah.
This is the level. These three things are stored in it, so that when you play again, but player fraps is locally
For
stored.
locally storing, exactly. For
Yeah.
locally storing the it's override when new highest score appear.
Yeah.
So, like when you buy something in the shop or something, will it get decreased, or do you have to code something for separately for that?
No, you don't have to. It's called. You just have to update it. Like whenever that, whenever you use a coin or whenever you finish a game, just write the code like update this. Like you have to write a function.
Yeah, I get it. Nice.
Yeah.
Does
And,
it also contain in-app purchase?
No, this I haven't I haven't gotten the banner ads to work, so I didn't go beyond that. And still these errors are like messing up my mind.
I think
All the
something is not.
banner ad error. Like, there isn't much tutorial for this too. So
Exactly. Because actually, it's whenever we find out something related to the multiplayer, online, and ads related things, we don't find much of the content on the YouTube. I also faced this before.
Yeah, that's the issue.
So actually, I also implemented the like same kind of things in my game that I published. So
I really like randomly generated stuff. So almost every my game, almost every game, everything has like random generated stuff in it. See, this whole level gets this is a menu, and if I click play, the whole level gets built up. That's why this there's like a bit of lag here.
Aditya, can you go to the first game you showed?
Which one? Is that the dodge block?
That free world open world game.
Or the multiplayer game? This is another game that I played just to mess up my mind.
Escape.
It's like
different.
Yeah, I also made the camera rotate with that, and like like, I think it still has that. The whole thing is rotate. Oh, it's like messed up so many people's mind.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, I have to.
I think the lobby isn't there now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. What I'm trying to tell that is, can't you create a border like something like framework and make players spawn randomly and attack each other like shooting at a straight line.
Yeah, well, yeah, the issue is that like this, like it's pretty easy, but the thing is, everything that happens in this has to be updated in the server as well as in the
multiplayer,
other
right?
games.
It's very
Yeah,
complicated, I guess.
so like just implementing this thing was like, oh my god, like the like
mind trouble.
Yeah, for the first time, like I thought it was working, and then when I added my friend to it, like we were playing multiplayer, like I could control him and he could control me, like the controls shifted.
What?
Yeah, in the multiplayer, like my controls became his controls and his controls became mine. Like the camera is like shifting bodies. Like whenever I move, he moves, and I don't move. Like the camera, everything shifted.
How can you even play like that?
Yeah, so I changed that. It was actually in everything that I make, I have to update it in the server. That's the issue here. So even if I put a bullet, I should update the bullet in mine, and I should say that it's my bullet in my code, and also say that if it's not the other guy's bullet, and I should also say that to the server. So it's like
I guess
three times
games
coding.
are such a mess, I guess.
Yeah, 3 times more coding.
Shit.
Yeah, we'll be making a multiplayer game soon, so prepare to get your mind blown. I'll stop staring. Yeah.
I am imagining that we are playing that game now. We don't know who are controlling who.
Yeah.
Just when you want to go left, opponent makes you go right. It's gonna be such a mind blowing thing.
Yeah.
Silence. Anyone has?
The core assignment is about.
Yeah. You guys saw what today's assignment is? There are 2 assignments now.
Connect with 5 people or something.
Yeah, connect with the world.
I think I took a break and do this.
Yeah, I just saw connect with 5 people and just there was a link there. Yeah, I pressed 5 people
link.
connected. Yeah, and I sent it. I'm done with that. I didn't
Connect
watch the
with
video.
world. You didn't even watch it. Nice. Search for game developer tag and connect 5 game developers across the world with a meaningful connection. Simply click here, use this filter to connect with the game.
I think you need to write something else. You need to do something else to. It's just not the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just open that assignment 4. We can do it now itself.
Oh wait, assignment 4. Wait, oh. I submitted it as assignment 5. Can I unsubmit it? What is the unsubmit?
Yeah. You can unsubmit it.
Wait, my link is still there. Like I unsubmitted, but my link is still there.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, just explain it.
That's fine.
Neeraj Kumar, game developer.
So do we have to wait for their approval and then we have to submit the link?
Let's submit the link.
I guess you are right. How many people are going to connect with us? Maybe
KFC connect ourselves, right?
Mutual connecting.
Yeah.
Drop my link.
Most of the guys around me.
One second. Yeah. Mostly we are connected, I think.
Yeah.
I think we are connected. Divesh.
With Bansal, Satya Reddy, Jai Kishorji, he's actually our senior. Amit Singh, Piyush Gautam, Divesh Kumar. Do I miss anyone? Did I miss anyone?
No, I don't think so.
I think you missed me.
We can see that clan
I-
members, right, in that link that was
Yeah, and
posted.
the thread, like link,
Yeah, yeah.
LinkedIn module.
Just share your LinkedIn link in the chat, so it will be here
Just
too.
share your LinkedIn profile.
Yogesh, are we connected in LinkedIn?
I don't know.
Yeah, let me.
Yogesh? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just paste my
I am
link
connected.
in the chat.
Yeah. Just share your LinkedIn account.
Yeah, we are connected. We are connected.
I'll post my notes. Have we created new one for that for this Outscal? I've
No.
created new one.
Neon?
No,
Yeah.
no, I didn't.
What's
I
that?
didn't.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
What's
I
Neon?
had an account that I didn't use
New
for
one.
I don't know.
I
so
also
many years.
had, but I don't use that. So
You
I
want?
created just for a gaming purpose. I created new one.
Guys, can you tell what are you talking about? I don't understand.
New account. He's talking about new account.
Oh, okay. New account, right? I misheard it. I connected with the Yogesh, but it's not showing on my. Oh, wait. There's another page. Yeah. Akshay Singh, Yogesh. Yes.
I don't know much about LinkedIn, but just doing the assignment. So I'm learning about it.
There's a message.
Bobby and I now connect.
An event by Kalari. Guys, did you get the WhatsApp message?
So, Asutosh, can you tell us about your YouTube experience as you are a YouTuber?
Yes, I did. Uh, I did 2 jobs in the 2 companies. Currently, if I talk about that, about 10 to 11 months, from past 10 to 11 months, I'm working on Unity, and I developed so many games, but published only one on Play Store. And if I talk about as my experience level or something, it's a beginner type only. Like 2D, 3D. I worked on both type of games, 2D and 3D, but just like beginner type of games, like hyper casual games.
Yeah, what is hyper casual?
So hyper casual games, it's like when you just click on the screen. It's a click based game, just a click based game. It's called an hyper casual game. You no need to do any. Yes, sorry.
Something like you tap and
Yes, exactly. It's a tab based game. It's just a tab based game. Nothing. You don't have to think much. You don't have to do for the just for a relaxation purpose. It's a hyper. Nowadays, it's a big market for hyper casual games. Very
Yeah,
much.
very big.
How did you learn all that?
I'll only from YouTube and
Google YouTube.
Google, but also Udemy. I did a lot of.
Yeah, Udemy. Yeah.
I took a lot of courses from Udemy. In fact, some of them are still incomplete. So,
Can you share that link?
which type of thing?
The last one you said, I didn't hear it properly. That's why I'm asking them.
I said that I took many courses from Udemy too.
Udemy?
Udemy, it's a website.
It's a website or an app.
Yes, of course, it's a web application.
I was also using Udemy for my 3D artist, 3D character artist and
Of course.
environment artist.
And nowadays Udemy has lots of good courses also, because earlier it doesn't have any so much of engaging
Mental-
courses, but
Yes.
now it's pretty much good courses, because Udemy teammates also uploaded their courses on the Udemy, as I took a course of someone, a lady who is an engineer in Unity. So it's a pretty much good course. But that's a problem. Like, if you want to learn related to the online multiplayer, or if you want to monetize your application, that it's hard to find on Udemy too. Good one. Hard to find on Udemy too.
Try to go for bestsellers.
Not even from the bestseller also, because I took always from the bestseller course, but I took a course as Dungeon Escape, clone of Dungeon Escape. He is one of the bestseller, but he also didn't teach us like how to monetize. If in fact his uploaded course wasn't updated. It was like 2 or 3
Earlier version of that course.
earlier version of the and at that time he used Unity 18 point something, and we are using 2021.2. So that's a problem also in the Unity, that it's a non-version supportable projects. If you develop any projects on Unity 2020, it won't be run on 18 point something, or that's an issue. So
Previous versions you can't run.
yes, as previous or newer also, it will only run on that version only. So
So Outscal is also told us to install 2019.49.21 F1.
Yeah,
something like
that's also that version is a long time supporting version. So like they'll continue to do.
Actually, we have to always choose a version that in middle of something, like not the
Yeah.
latest one and not the oldest one.
Oldest
Okay,
one.
so that's the only trick every professional taught us, that you have to use. So
Yes,
I
yes.
think
Just like when I was using Zebrus, someone told me to install only the latest version. But
no, you don't. You never have to install.
Yeah.
Because
but when
it's
I
a bug.
install in
It's a
Udemy, na,
yes.
but
Okay, Udemy. But I
yeah.
think you can use LTS Unity LTS version जितने भी है उसमें, like it's pretty much good, and of course it's not a bug free. The latest version is always contains some bugs.
Yeah, some bugs and
some bugs, exactly.
continuous updates are coming. Na, that's why.
That's why. So always took in between of something.
In between, yes.
In between. So
You know, Blender is also good for
Yes, yes.
like
Yeah.
Yeah, I made my models everything in Blender.
I also Blender is for 3D only, 3D models, and it's not like it's not like a game
not
engine.
not an engine, but for but Blender is now
Mm.
developing like
Yeah,
something.
Blender had a game engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, earlier
Yeah,
in
it was
past
pretty
days.
it was pretty easy
Yes,
to do that.
in fact,
Yes.
in fact, it supported Python also, I think.
Yeah,
Right,
it supported Python. Yeah,
Python supportable also.
yeah, Python
But if you go
scripting was
for
also there. Yeah.
rendering, na, if you go for rendering, uh,
Mhm.
like in G plus there is PPR,
Mhm.
but in Blender there is EV, and
Yeah,
EV is
real
too
time.
good. Yeah. EV is too good for rendering.
There are a lot of plugins are there because everything has a plugin now or nowadays. So that's why.
Now you can switch from anyone, like any software to anything.
Yes, you can, because it's uh, every team try to make it more dynamic.
Has anyone used Unreal Engine?
Yes.
No.
I've
Not
tried for
yet.
2 months.
Oh.
I've tried
Is
for
it
2 months.
Not using.
Unreal Engine C++ is like
Yeah.
next level stuff.
You want to
Okay,
familiar
so
with the Unity first, you want
But
So
Unreal has like blueprints, so you don't actually need to know the exact codes.
yeah, actually
Basic knowledge is enough.
blueprints I don't like. Yesterday I told no. Yeah.
Blueprints.
I started learning Unreal just because of PUBG. You know.
Yeah.
I'm sending on link of Google Drive. I know I made one model in that only. Yeah. Okay. Here is the online model. Model thing. Model.
3D
Blender.
models.
Yeah.
3D models.
Yeah. No. We can create model in here.
Okay.
Like online Blender. You got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's an online web application, something like.
Yeah. So I don't know about anything about modeling. Okay. So with the Unity idea, I created this one. You can see.
Yeah. Just Figaro.
Figaro.
Figaro. 3D modeling tools. Yes.
Here I created the next drive link. No, that one I created for my project, sample project.
Accepted.
That's nice. That's no man.
No man. Yeah. So I downloaded from Sketchfab on Snowman. It was very good, but I don't know anything about Blender. I mean, I have only Blender Unity idea, Unity knowledge in Blender. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah. How I can work like Unity in Blender. I can move here and there. But I cannot able to move the model. I mean, just YouTube things cannot work like that much, right? Yeah. So I used this one, and I will send you another that Sketchfab thing also. That one I cannot able to model in Blender.
But sometimes Blender makes the model so heavy that
Yeah.
you need a particular RAM. You need a much RAM to run in Unity, because earlier I made a model like coronavirus, but when I instantiated it many times, it's just lag.
You used high poly, no?
Yes,
High poly.
high poly. Yes.
Okay. That's why. If
Then,
try to convert high poly to low poly, and
okay. So in the Blender itself.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
in
Actually, I
Blender,
didn't
in
knew.
GBrush, if you are modeling something for any model, in my Instagram, if you're connected to my Instagram, I've uploaded some of my works there, and they are all
Also,
in.
please share your
Yeah,
Instagram also. I'll definitely
okay.
be there.
There I've uploaded some of my
Do you
works.
have a
And
Do you have a YouTube channel also?
no. I don't have any YouTube.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
And there, all my works are in low poly. If you want to like use it on your mobile games, you can't use high poly models in mobile games. If you use
Okay.
it,
Okay.
it will make it like more heavy.
More
It
heavy.
yeah. It takes too much time to load,
Okay.
and
Yes. Yes.
sometimes it's too much error.
Hmm. So, if someone wants to use the high poly in the mobile game, so
There's like some tricks to that. You
So
you can like make the high poly.
first,
You can
first
have
you
high poly quality with low poly. Like some
yes. You have
yeah
to
some
convert high poly to
okay.
low poly
Okay. Okay.
with as much as detail as in high poly to low poly.
Okay.
Because if you
Okay.
convert high poly to low poly, na, it loses some of its details.
Hello.
Maximum
Oh,
details, like if you're
Sir.
creating hair or
okay.
beard
Sir.
or eyelashes something, or skin texture, and if in high poly and then you convert it to low poly, uh, most of the textures are gone. You
Okay.
lost most of the textures in skin or
Most.
uh, everywhere. But if you are modeling through, try to use GBrush. GBrush, I think it's best is best for modeling.
Okay.
uh,
Zebras. It's
GBrush, yes.
Okay.
It's most industry oriented software.
it's like organic modeling.
No,
Organic.
you can do hard surface modeling and organic both.
Huh.
Yeah. But that's the trick, na. It's many of us are using like if you are using Blender or 3ds Maya, uh, people are using these for mainly hard surface modeling like robots. I have
Okay.
uploaded two robots in my Instagram. They are all made in Blender, but I'll upload one of my hard surface model that I use that I made in GBrush. It's a key, like mechanical key something. Uh, GBrush is also good for mechanical hard surface modeling, but it's so tricky.
Okay. Is there anyone who did work on 2D characters or 3D characters as an artist?
Yeah, I didn't go for industry, but I work for.
So which kind of uh, 2D characters have you
I
made?
worked on what is that? Sprite software in.
Yeah. Yeah, Sprite, like
pixel
Krita.
art.
Yeah, pixel art. Yeah, okay, I got it.
Pixel art.
Like
Yeah.
Krita. Krita is one of the software.
Yeah,
Okay.
Krita.
Yeah.
So just like Indian characters or something like foreigners, which type of characters?
Anime. I love anime.
Anime. Okay. Okay.
Did someone say about anything about anime? I was just texting this guy from LinkedIn. I didn't notice.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, say again.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, audible.
Yeah. Did anyone talk about anime? I just heard. I was texting
Yeah.
this guy and I
We are
was not
talking about
listening.
anime. We are talking about anime.
I'm a huge anime fan. That's why
Me
I'm
too, bro.
listening.
Me too. Me too. Yeah. Anime.
Count me in.
Me too.
Anime.
Me too.
Divesh is
Arigato.
also.
Arigato. Konnichiwa.
When he gives
Konnichiwa.
when Indians speak Japanese, it's one of the most cringiest things I've ever heard. Literally.
Then you didn't heard
We
of
only know
Deepak Kalal.
konnichiwa and arigato.
Yeah, man. You guys watch sub or dub? Mostly sub, I guess.
What?
Sub or dub? Subtitles or
Or
dub?
sub,
Yeah,
sub, sub.
Yeah, sub always rules. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got
Anyone is
that
watching
Bangladesh
In dub,
anime in our
anyone
eyes.
is watching One Piece?
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
watching One Piece.
I've stopped watching One Piece for like 3 months. I don't know what's happening after the
I started the One
island.
Piece, but I couldn't
You
make
guys
it
know
through.
that Mayank also
It
watches One
shows
Piece,
that
right?
you are so lazy.
Yeah,
But
I saw it like
so yeah, Luffy
yeah.
Luffy.
uh,
Actually,
symbol.
I asked him that, sir, are you interested in One Piece or something like that? Because I saw his profile, which is that Straw Hats flag, right?
Yeah. Luffy. Yeah.
That's why I asked him,
I still had for it.
and he said, yeah, I'm a huge anime fan, and I also did cosplays at USS Expos, and I was like, wow. I was like, well, can you show some pictures? Like I asked, then he posted on that channel.
Okay.
Guys, am I just
Hello?
speaking to myself?
No.
No.
We are all hearing.
Really.
We are all hearing. That's why. Actually, we are all good listeners. In that.
Anyone into manhwa?
Yeah.
Yeah, manhwa, yeah.
Yeah. Currently, I'm reading
Manga,
this.
manhwa, everything.
Currently, I'm reading this.
In my watch list, there is at least like 50 plus uncompleted manhwa, but the manhwas I have completed, I've even gone through the web novels. There's Overgeared. Have anyone here?
Yeah, Overgeared, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's literally dope. Like web novel is like 1530 chapters right now. Each week, 15 chapters releasing there.
So they're mass releasing.
What?
They're mass releasing. I was reading over here for like 2 weeks before.
Yeah, it's
That's
great,
really
man. You should definitely try the web
Uh-huh.
novel too.
I was
Web novel
reading.
too. Web
I
novel.
just stopped.
started Demon Slayer yesterday.
What?
Only 10 minutes in the first episode.
Demon Slayer.
Oh, Demon Slayer is God, man.
Demon Slayer, yeah.
It's awesome. It's awesome.
I completed.
Anyone is reading
manga.
Marshall Peak?
Yeah, I'm reading Marshall Peak. Oh my god.
Marshall Peak. They're crazy.
I tried that, but it's literally like not like manga or manhwa. It's just web novel with pictures. Web novel with pictures. That's it. That is just that. I didn't like it. That's why I didn't touch it. But
3 chapters per day.
Yeah, 3 chapters per day.
Okay, even tried that fast. Man.
Yeah, like you miss 2 days, you have a lot to read.
Yeah, I missed 2 months and now I have 400 chapters to read.
We should all watch. Favorite animes. Favorite animes.
Yeah, Naruto always rules.
Naruto.
Yeah, Naruto.
Yeah,
Naruto, One Piece.
Naruto gang.
I thought so. Naruto.
Mostly all the guys that say Naruto is the only reason is that they have started watching Naruto. Am I right?
Yeah.
As their first, right?
At least in my case,
My first anime was also Naruto. Yeah. My
man.
first anime also was Naruto.
I was into anime just because of Naruto.
Yeah.
I was like
yeah.
literally living
Actually,
Anyone know what's happening in Dragon Ball? Are they dead or alive?
Dragon Ball is more like cartoon.
Yeah, man.
Are they dead or alive?
I hate that.
With so much lightning and animation
Yes,
stuff.
Dragon Ball is like too much.
Screaming, man.
Yeah, too much
I
screaming.
I hate
Too
loud
loud.
Screaming,
I hate
Kamehameha
loud
only.
noises.
Everywhere
I just
there
want
is
peace.
Kamehameha and
Pokemon Dragon Ball Z, I didn't watch it.
Yeah, Pokemon. I do watch
Random
Pokemon.
watches on Nickelodeon or Cartoon Network or something. No one watches
I was playing
Pokemon
customs
on
in
by like
PUBG.
episode by episode.
I was playing customs in PUBG. So my name in PUBG is Itachi. My Discord account name also was Itachi. So I had to change it for
Yeah, me
So
too.
there is
You
no
have to go for
confusion.
pain.
And Itachi believer, I see.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm.
Nice, nice.
Me too changed my name, my original name.
Itachi.
But
Clan.
guys,
I changed my name for the Outscal.
Go for Kitretsu.
who is your favorite character in Naruto? Yeah, that's
Of
the
course,
topic.
Itachi. Of course, Itachi. Of course, Itachi.
Jiraiya.
For me,
Jiraiya.
Except Naruto.
Jiraiya.
Madara. Madara and Itachi.
One by one. Let me ask someone first. Like
Jiraiya, bro. Jiraiya.
Amit.
Jiraiya. Jiraiya.
Nice. Arun.
Me too.
Arun.
Me
Arun,
too. Jiraiya.
Nice.
Jiraiya. No.
Okay. Yogesh, do you watch it?
Yes, I watched Naruto and my favorite character is Itachi and always be Itachi.
Great man, great man. Divesh?
But when it comes, na,
It's Itachi.
Boruto.
I can also get a tattoo of Itachi. I so freaking like it.
Great man, great man. Can someone guess my favorite character?
Sakura.
Uchiha?
Sasuke.
No.
Sasuke?
No.
I think
Sakura.
I think Sakura.
No.
Tsunade. Tsunade.
No.
Tsunade.
Oh no.
Sai.
No.
Oh, Sai.
I thought someone would say that, but it's not the right answer.
Shikamaru?
Yeah. Who said that?
Yeah.
Who said
Go
that?
for Lee.
What a drag.
What a drag. I think you are a lazy person.
Yeah, what a drag.
Yeah, man. He's literally like, if he had another separate show, I would watch it like a million times. I'm so into that character. I am that character, literally.
Yeah, me too.
Who is that? Say again. Sai.
What?
Say again. Who is your favorite character?
Shikamaru, man.
Shikamaru. Yeah.
Yeah. You guys remember that first Chunin exams?
Yeah.
He was like literally broke out of that genjutsu and was sleeping, decided to sleep. That's one of the dopest moment I remember. And also that
Anyone have
Shikamaru
watched Bleach? Bleach?
yeah,
I
I
have-
tried it, man.
I watched
60
every
episode.
anime.
I think I saw the movie.
No, man. Go for Bleach.
Bleach has a movie.
It's also very good anime.
Yeah, so yeah, some like
Have you watched
live action movie.
Banana.
Oh shit,
Banana.
man. Live
It's
action
something like
sucks.
banana.
Yu Yu Hakusho.
Yu Yu Hakusho, yeah. It's old.
Yeah.
OG, yeah.
Both Bleach and Hakusho are same.
Oh, I see.
Hmm.
Bleach, I watched like 50 or something episodes, but I wasn't interested like in One Piece or Naruto or
I really want Hunter to
to
come
have
back.
another season, right? But I think it's not gonna happen. It's there are rumors that sorry, it was Berserk's manga died.
No, man.
Yeah, Berserker. Yeah.
Hunter x Hunter new season. The new what you can call it.
What?
I forgot the name.
Mostly.
Anyone
Hunter x
watch
Hunter.
Attack on Titan?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched Attack on Titan till.
I haven't watched the last season. I thought
Me too.
I heard
It's
they
good.
fucked up.
It's got boring in the middle of season, but right now
Yeah.
it's good.
Guys, what is the anime you didn't expect that much from, but it was dope? Like, can you understand?
Parasite.
Parasite, yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, Parasite.
Yeah, I didn't watch it, but I'm planning to.
Yeah, I watched the live action too. Like, there was 2 versions of live action.
Yeah, one is Korean, another one is Japanese, right? Korean one
Yeah,
is about family.
two live action movies, like part 1 and part 2.
What? Oh, what?
Yeah.
You mean
Yeah, the
part
whole
one
the
and
whole
okay.
yeah the whole manga
Nice.
story is there.
Nice. It was completed in a wholesome way. Yeah, it was great. And mine is Vinland Saga. Has anyone seen it?
I've heard
Vinland
of it.
Saga, I've heard.
Yeah, me too. Thorkill, na?
It's dope, man.
Yeah. Thorkill.
Y'all gotta
Thor.
watch it. So that last episode was so.
Anyone is saying? Anyone is watching Soland?
What?
Soland.
Yeah, Soland.
Dolo Dalo.
Yeah, Dolo Dalo.
Yeah. I'm into everything.
Every
I'm into
Sunday.
everything.
Every Sunday.
Yeah, every Sunday they have a close community. They have you have to join them, I guess, for
No,
paid
it's
99 rupees.
I have an app. I have an
think
app.
Akshay has a problem with his mic. Akshay.
Akshay is on chat.
Yeah, I think he's got his mic problems.
Can
Let's
I
see.
ask what is the difference between anime and cartoon?
Hey,
I really don't
don't even get started.
compare them.
There is no
They are not
comparison.
comparable.
Yes.
मतलब actual में how will I define like anime and
Anime shows
Just
you
go for
real blood.
Shinchan. Just go for Doraemon. Then go for Naruto.
Man.
so
Doraemon
both
is
are
also,
2D both are 2D, right?
Doraemon is also an anime, man. It's also made in Japan. You know that, right?
Doraemon.
Not
Yeah.
everything made in Japan is anime.
No, Doraemon is not anime, I think.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
Not
It's
anime.
Zap.
it's a
It's
cartoon.
not. It's a cartoon because I think anime. What's I understood that
Anime is defined by the looks and
Story.
expression.
You guys.
Their
Look,
story
I think
also.
Yeah, yeah, story
I
also.
think anime is what which are based on manga. I don't know,
Oh,
but
wait.
I
Let me check
think
for a second. Does Doraemon have a manga or not? Let me check. Yeah.
I don't think so. They have in every episode they have a
If you
different
say
story.
if you
does
say
it
it like
related
that,
to the graphics or something?
no, it's mainly related to story.
Story, exactly.
one
Someone also
Story,
told me that it's
one minute.
story,
a
emotion,
story.
story,
You
emotion,
guys,
and character
you
and
guys
character
know
development.
Death Parade. You guys know
What?
Death Parade.
Yeah, Death Parade.
Death Parade does not have a manga, but it's still considered anime. Why?
No,
It doesn't
this is
have a
not.
manga.
Yeah.
It's even a popular I don't know issue going on right now. Right now,
Have you
not
heard
right
of
now.
Ragnarok?
Records
Yeah.
Ragnarok.
This
It's
year, it's anime come.
It's popular because of its boob slap scene. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boob slaps.
Just simple thing.
Doraemon, Shinchan. If you're going for cartoon, go for Shinchan, Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes.
And
And you for
the cowardly dogs or something.
yeah,
That one is also.
Courage the Cowardly.
That you say that's the proper cartoon.
Yes.
Cartoon Courage the Cowardly Dog.
Shinchan is a 18 plus cartoon.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can take it as you can take it as
It should also come under the certification.
it's all
of
depends on the mind.
I think Arun heard it from Madan Gauri.
No, I didn't watch it. Why I will watch it? No, I'm a big hater. I watch Flip. Yeah.
If you guys are wondering what's that, it's a popular YouTube channel in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, we both Tamil.
I thought you're from
Guys, you all know na
I also
that
know.
this Zoom meeting is recording.
Yes.
Oh yeah. No one cares.
Hey, no one's gonna watch 3 hours. Sit
No
there
one's
and
gonna
watch
watch.
3 hours.
Yeah.
No, I was wondering if
What
they
if they
watched
skip to the last part?
last minute,
What
you
if
know,
they
last
skip to the last part?
No, they told to get to know ourselves. Yeah. So we
Yeah,
are
we all
trying
are
to
knowing
do.
it.
Yeah.
We are all knowing
We are doing that, na?
ourselves.
They are doing
Yeah.
that assignment.
Bobby, are you there?
Bobby? No.
Well,
Are you
I
there?
have done my assignment.
Aditya is not.
Bobby has given the responsibility for the multivariate.
Is
Bobby is there.
Bobby even online?
No,
Bobby?
someone can
No.
check. He's gone.
He's
I
seeing
think
It's
Bobby
showing
put an
on
alarm.
showing online, but
Bobby put an alarm of 10 p.m. so he can come and put an end on this.
Smart man.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone going to play Rocket League tomorrow or now?
Rocket League.
Yeah.
Rocket League.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
man.
So we
Uh,
don't have a class session tomorrow, right?
I don't.
No.
We don't.
No, we have.
But
We have.
it says that we should submit by
Friday,
tomorrow
Saturday.
7 p.m. right? I think there will be, or maybe they will give just a separate assignment from tomorrow 7 p.m. I don't know. Guys,
Yeah, probably.
I think
We
from
have session
Monday.
tomorrow. We have sessions tomorrow, right?
Yes, we have session tomorrow.
I went to my game Mobile Legends and I and I was about to get my new skin, new epic skin, but the event closed.
Valentina release has been postponed, right?
I don't know. I was getting my
Yeah,
Transformer skin and it was epic skin. It'll cost me some what 3,000.
2K, man. I don't think that's worth it. I just buy basic skins, even that has the same attributes.
I don't know.
I
just spend like crazy amount for Mobile
games,
Legends.
man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone needs to slap me every time I purchase this full.
Let's just not talk about that, okay? I have like a sad story behind it. No, let's just not talk about it.
You play Valorant?
Just because of that crazy recoil, I didn't play it. I tried it once. I decided not to play.
Valorant came on Epic Games, but it was not supported on Windows.
Is there anyone chess who play chess?
I do
Never
play
played,
chess,
yeah.
but I don't play like crazy amount. No.
Crazy.
I know the
So
rules.
are you?
I know the rules. That's all I know.
Yeah, me too.
I know like how to play, and I do play, but I don't play like too often. Very
played it when
rarely
I
I
was
play.
I only know black and white box.
I played it when I was a kid, and
I play a lot. I play a lot
Play
chess.
BGMI?
you must be smart, man. You must be smart.
Not really,
you-
but from childhood I just played chess so much. Is there a game like chess.com? It's very famous, one of the most downloaded game, and in that game throughout the world players come and play, and
Yeah, I've
every
seen-
time
I've seen
in
my nephews playing it.
yes, I play. If I play 10 games, then I surely won.
Like 5-minute matches, right? 5-minute matches, right?
Exactly. It's a
Yeah, I've
minutes
seen it.
based or minutes based, or you can adjust your time.
Man, you should see that.
Set your.
They move like crazy. I don't even think
I
can't even follow that.
If I played 10, then I definitely won 8 or 9 games. Always. Yes. From all over the
world.
I wanted to ask about. Do you guys know about Patreon thing?
Yes, Patreons. Generally, YouTubers use for
Only related to OnlyFans things.
Yeah. The paid subjects will be there.
Yeah.
Actually,
like
it's for
freelancing
charity.
site?
Charity for, I think, for some sort of charity for funding type of things. We can fund their each.
No, it's not like a funding, I guess, because I've
charity,
seen
I think.
many developers there and lots of games there.
Because
yeah.
yes, developers also use, YouTubers also use. It's safe. But it's a short of funding and supporting type of thing.
Lots of
we can
small
support.
games I use that, right? Small scale games. Yeah.
Itch.io developers.
Itch.io.
Itch.io developers used a lot. YouTubers used a lot. They get so much of funding.
Only use YouTube for either for it is to play a song or to watch Dolo Dalo.
What? Ball?
Solent 4. Someone talked about Solent.
What is Solan?
It's an anime,
Elite,
I
Uh,
guess.
elite in chat.
Sorry?
Solent is like animation of proper
Guys,
a manhwa.
has anyone watched this Star Wars anime? It's available on Hotstar, I guess.
I have Hotstar. I
I don't
haven't watched
even I don't have
anything.
Hotstar.
I have a Netflix subscription, so I don't watch.
I I borrowed my friend's Netflix. I'm not that rich, but this thing is that Hotstar.
It's not about rich. It's just I think it's just a mood.
Man, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No,
I'm just
we
messing
all
with
are having one big thing, no? Tamil rocker.
What?
Tamil rocker.
Tamil rockers.
Yeah.
I
No one is.
think it's only for Tamil Nadu based. Mostly
No.
Tamil Nadu people use it, I guess. All over India, maybe there is another site to popular site to download movies, I guess. Is there one?
No. I also use Tamil Rockers.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Tamil MP now.
Guys, have you watched Gotham series?
Gotham, you mean Batman, right?
Yeah, related to Batman, but it's Gotham.
Gotham is a city name, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
what
the
I know.
city
I
from
watched
where
the Dark Knight,
Batman
Dark Knight
belongs.
Rises. Yeah, Dark Knight Rises. I only watched those two movies, and what's that?
I was
I'm
trying to
League
watch
of Legends.
currently I'm
Interstellar.
watching Gotham, and
What's the Superman plus Batman combined movie? What's that?
Superman versus
Dark.
Batman.
Dark.
Dawn
No,
of
Dawn
League
of
of
Justice.
Legends?
Dawn of Justice.
Oh, yeah.
Dawn
Dawn
of
of
Justice. Superman versus Batman.
Dawn of Justice. Is that it? I don't
League of
think so. That's
Justice.
no, man. Let me just Justice League.
Justice League after that.
Yeah, man,
Justice League
Justice
is
League.
Snyder Cut.
Yeah.
You know, Snyder Cut. Joss Whedon.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. That's the one. You know that one. You guys seriously think Batman can win against Superman?
No, I don't.
It's a bullshit, man.
But Batman is smart. He'll
That's smart.
put crypto. Crypto, no.
Kryptonite.
Yeah, if you're talking about resources, then okay, fine.
Yeah, Batman is OP that twice.
Okay, yeah.
Batman's got pockets.
So
You won't read web novels here? Or just
Light
novels?
novel.
Light novel. Yeah, okay. That's
yeah, I read the light novel for solo leveling. Yeah,
Oh, solo
and,
leveling.
yeah, I think mostly everyone read a solo novel, right? Yeah, that is just that manhwa is crazy, like that art
Crazy
style
for
is
solo leveling.
nice.
And even no LC.
What?
LC. It's also a manhwa, and it is really good manhwa. If you haven't read, you should definitely read. It can be compared with solo leveling.
I compare overgeared with solo leveling, and I decide that overgeared is above solo leveling because of the storyline is much bigger than solo leveling. Overgeared, I'm talking about.
Watch this, LC. You'll freaking love that. You will
LC?
love.
LC?
Just yes, LC.
I read like I think it was beginning after the end.
Yeah, man.
Beginning after the end, that's another one, man.
I started.
Yeah.
I started that and stopped this at 120 because I don't want to wait a whole week for just another.
Yeah, I started reading the light novel. Light novel is like
nice.
No, it's like there's too
The
much
art
information.
there's a lot of stuff going around.
But the art of that manhwa is too awesome.
My friend read that and said that there's another god country like something and he's training on that.
Yeah.
Dragons or
Yeah,
something?
It's not dragon. It can be like creator gods, more than dragons. something.
Guardians, deities.
Yeah.
Where?
Where ladies?
Where?
Don't know.
Guys,
where
have you
ladies.
played Raji? Raji?
Raji. What is that?
Yes.
It's
It's a game. It's a
Yeah,
game.
Nintendo. It's only on Nintendo, right?
No,
It's a,
PC. It came to
it's the
PC. No?
first. Yeah, it's a first Indian open world game.
Guys, you got
Not open world.
Not.
It's a triple A.
No, yeah, character play. Means
Any-
you can say
It's
like
not a triple A. It's not a triple A.
guys,
recognized by many big companies.
anyone of you still play
Yeah,
Clash
because
Clans?
of the mythology related things. Some of the
Yeah.
like Rakshas and type.
Yeah, you can say that, but many
But
of
it's
big
not.
big gaming companies and big gaming awards.
Yeah, because of the storyline.
Yeah,
Because
story
of the
and because of
storyline.
also yeah.
It's the first. Actually, the characters are actually looks like an Indian types that basically don't have happen in the gaming world.
Man,
So that's why.
Bobby
Yeah.
is online, it seems.
Bobby is creating a game, no? That's why. Bobby is creating a game.
I
Which game?
I don't know. Ask Bobby. That's why he's not answering. No?
Oh,
I see. I thought he left
Bobby
by
busy.
mistake.
Busy man.
I told you, na, he put an alarm.
Okay.
He'll wake up after 4 minutes.
You guys like?
Suddenly,
Guys, can
Time to go.
suddenly our mentor came and I start hearing like
Guys,
what are they talking about?
any,
And they are only talking about like which anime, which manga, manhwa.
Which one?
They have 18 clans, you know.
And after that suddenly, oh, you are watching hentai.
No, no.
Okay,
Finally,
okay,
now the
let's talk
topic is
about
lively.
Yeah.
FW games.
Now the topic is lively.
Oh yeah, it's been recorded. on top.
Actually, it's fucking adult clan.
guys, for your information, this is recording.
Yeah, now it's
Yeah,
Bobby. Now it's Bobby.
Yeah, it's digital days.
Actually, we
alarm view, I
actually
think.
we are trying to
You should be
attract
supposed
your
to wake
attention.
after
That's why.
4 minutes.
Man, any of you guys still play Clash of Clans?
Yeah. Me
Yeah, I was
sometimes.
updating, just updating.
Sometimes.
Just drop
Yeah, I
your
will
ID.
revenge and I will go.
Just
I'll
drop your
update
ID,
and,
man.
Oh,
Have you played before? Before?
Yeah, my town hall was
I played
10.
it like
Town hall to 10.
I
Town hall.
ID, I don't know what is ID. I
so
forgot.
Supercell ID or something like game ID. There will be something on your
I'm opening.
profile. On your profile. I'll just screenshot it and save it and add you later. Let's make a clan like Outscal 18. Like literally.
Want to go revenge? One guy was attacked.
Yeah, this Chinese motherfuckers always attack me.
Yeah. You know, after 7 o'clock, China, you know, in China, there will be no internet will work like that. They said no.
Yeah, I
You
heard
know that,
about it. I heard about it, but I don't think it's true. We don't know a lot of shit about China. They
You
are
know,
make
when I was
China, they can
in college.
make sun. Oh, I heard
Supercell.
some music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Supercell.
When I was in college, there was some advertisement.
I will share you in Discord, right? Hi, I will share you.
Yeah, okay,
ID in Discord. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay.
Man, this China guy lost against me base. That's surprising.
Can we end the session now, guys?
2 minutes are left.
No,
Bobby is only
it's
waiting
not
for
like that. We can leave it if you want, or if
We
you
don't
want to
want-
discuss, you
we-
can you can set another record by just waking up at 4 5 a.m.
Man, it's been
Okay.
some time since I spoke to people this much.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too.
It's been ages.
Okay, so
And
are we leaving?
It's very nice to have people around us like
Yeah, the
mutual
same
mutual
topics.
thinking, having mutual thinking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
True,
It's
true.
nice.
yeah,
It's
mutual
nice.
interest also.
Because like at the end we all are game developers. We choose this path
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
definitely.
yeah,
Yeah.
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 Okay, bye
Oh,
guys.
okay, bye guys.
Bye,
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bobby,
Okay, guys.
Bye.
what
Bye
game were you
bye.
making?
Take care. Good night.
Good night.
Good
Bobby,
night.
Bobby,
Good
Bobby,
night.
Bobby, Bobby.
Yes.
What
Yes.
game were you making?
That you guys like, I will make that for you so that we can play all
Uh,
together.
make
Then
na like
then it's
wall
gotta be
break or
about
bluff.
hentai.
Oh yeah.
If you like, if you say I can build a replica of GTA 5 tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Make it hentai.
Just kidding.
GT.
Don't take it too seriously, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are game developers. We know it. We know the truth.
Maybe one day we will do it.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
together.
we will do it. Yeah, we
Yeah,
will do it.
together we may make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Together we
together
can.
we
Then
can.
we get blacklisted from Rockstar.
Why not better than GTA? Why
Yeah,
only
yeah,
the
You
yeah.
guys
There is
do
an
know.
idea, na? GTA
We
hentai.
can be we can create a better version of YouTubers. GTA
Yeah.
in mobile.
Of
GTA
course,
in-
because
in
We can
2
make a
MB.
better game for Naruto.
Oh,
Yeah.
Naruto.
Yeah,
Also,
Naruto.
Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm. Had anyone played that?
also One
Naruto
Piece, man.
Ultimate Ninja Storm 5 or 4.
Nope, nope.
Yeah, but yeah.
It's
More
I've
like
seen
open world
some
Naruto game.
some gameplay of
I
Jump
played
Force.
it like 5 minutes and it sucked literally. I hate it and I dropped. I didn't like it. It's my personal taste.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's not. We need open world. Open
Yeah.
world Naruto game.
Yeah,
Yeah, we need an open world.
I also like a open world for One Piece. I want it, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
One Piece. There's a game
One
for
Piece.
One Piece. There is a
Open
game
world-
for One Piece. Yeah,
Open world one?
yeah, open world. It's
Open world on One
You,
Piece.
you gotta
Yeah,
share that
open-
link, man. You gotta share that link.
I forgot the name. One Piece. Like
Okay, man. Just when you come up with
Don't
it,
say Jump Force, okay?
no, not the Jump Force.
Okay.
Like One Piece Pirate Warriors 4.
Okay.
One Piece Pirate Warriors, a 2020 game.
Whatever it is, just share the link in my LinkedIn.
Let's search for the link. I don't.
Yeah, we are connected in LinkedIn. We can share also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't share on LinkedIn.
Personal chat, man.
Yeah, yeah.
DM me.
Yeah.
Don't post it.
Don't tag it.
Post and tag Outscal, Mangrove, Satnam ji, everyone.
Yeah, tag everyone.
You will share a tag. You ask in Discord.
You will say Yamete Kudasai.
Yeah?
Yamete Kudasai. You guys
Yeah,
do
yeah.
know what is that, right?
Wait, One Piece is a multiplayer game? One Piece 4 is multiplayer. It's a multiplayer crack for it.
See.
Sayonara.
Hi.
Sayonara it
One
is.
Piece. What you're talking? One Piece.
One Piece Pirate Warriors. Pirate. I think it was
Pirate
another
Warriors
game.
4 or something.
Pirate Warriors 4 is there. Then and World Seeker. One of them was open world. I don't remember which one.
Pirate Warriors 4, 3, 2, 1. Four
Yeah,
versions
Pirate.
of it.
Yeah,
Four
Pirate
versions.
Warriors is there. One game was open world. The other one wasn't open world.
You mean the
I think
first
it
version
was.
was?
No, I
first
think it
version
was. No, World Seeker. I think it was World Seeker or Pirate Warriors.
Man, they could have just
Netflix
made
is currently working on a One Piece
Live-
live action. Yeah, live action.
they're gonna kill it. They're gonna kill it. I can say it for sure.
Yeah.
Live action.
Okay, so
the poster for One
guys,
Piece is very good.
guys.
actually I'm leaving. I'm so sleepy. So I
I
am
knew
making a
Bobby
host.
would want
And
something like that.
me too.
Yeah, as
Okay.
you know, I have to make a replica of some big
GTA
game for
5.
GTA 5.
you.
GTA 5, man.
Yes.
You better make it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good
Good
Bye.
night.
night.
Good night.
Gracias.
Good night,
Good
man.
night.
Good night.
Good night, man.
Good
GG.
night.
Night night.
Good
GG.
night, everyone.
Good
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 night.
night.
Good night.
अरे हाँ साला
GG.
जी
No.
अरे चुप रहना
Good game.
फूड का
Now it's
Yeah, so it's One Piece World Seeker. Okay, so
what? Yeah, there is. You guys do know. Amit, did you watch
Yeah.
One Piece? Did you
Yeah,
watch
yeah.
One Piece?
Yes.
Aditya, did you watch One Piece?
yeah, I watched One Piece.
You guys remember that Brook, right? Brook, that
Yeah, Brook. Yeah,
thriller arc before one, that death scene of his crewmates. Yeah, in that scene he says that after one by one dying, he says that quadrat, trio, duo, do it like that, right? Yeah, that it just came to my mind right now. Like everyone was leaving. It's just
मेरा ही ना बस
wait, wait. Sai, you wanted the One Piece game, right?
yeah, man.
Yeah, here's the link.
Cool. Thanks.
where have you sent
In the Zoom meeting.
Yeah.
Zoom in now?
Chat.
Okay let me check
World Seeker.
I'll
Yeah.
download.
Man, looks dope.
That's the open world game.
Okay feed girls okay
Is it story based or just a different story?
I think it's a story. I think it's a story after the what's I
New
think
world,
it's,
new world.
No, yeah, well, I think it's after
Time
the,
skip.
not the, no. It's like now, what's happening now? It's after
Wano.
what's happening right now.
Wano arc. After Wano arc.
Yeah, after
One arc,
Wano
one
arc,
arc.
I think so. The story is a bit different.
Did he beat Kaido then?
That I don't know. No. This is the part where he beats Kaido. Okay, this is the game that he beats Kaido. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, after episode 1001.
What do you guys think is One Piece? I think it's gonna be something like friendship, like bullshit.
Yeah, I think so. I think so too. Like more like family kind of stuff.
Yeah, man. Dominic Toretto.
Yeah, Dominic Toretto. most probably a Dominic Toretto will be waiting there,
family.
waiting for what is it?
This is my family.
His family.
Family is everything. You don't need anything else. Man, it just sucked.
Now you know why the Pirate King died.
He couldn't face that cringiness.
Yeah, he just gave up.
Died laughingly. Man, just kill me already. Just kill me already. He surrendered himself. Just kill me already. He couldn't face it. Right, man. But I personally like Roger a lot, man. It's like he never what do you say that? Show his sad face, always smiling. That's
Yeah, but
great.
there's nothing much about Roger.
Yeah, man.
Actually, I was hoping One Piece should show that Luffy's father, what his name? Dragon?
Dragon, yeah, monkey.
Dragon. Yeah.
He's great, man. What would be
Yeah.
his power?
Me too. I want to see his story.
Dragon's power is, I think, like weather, controlling weather, right?
I think so too. But it said it's mythical zone type.
Oh,
maybe he has
some guys said,
maybe he has multiple cores.
It's just a speculation, I guess, theory. Mostly
Maybe
it
he
would be
has
weather type.
multiple cores.
Yeah, maybe.
But you know, in One
guys-
Piece, the most hated character for me is that Monkey D. That guy.
His grandfather.
No, 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 no.
Garp
Not
is
Garp.
Gopi, man. Garp.
Not Garp. Not Garp. Oh, that they took the what dragon fruit. Yeah, devil fruit of. What's his
Oh yeah,
name?
yeah. That
White beard.
white like Blackbeard.
I,
His
Yeah,
name is
Blackbeard.
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 Man,
Monkey.
it's just not his Marshall D. Teach his name.
Yeah,
Marshall D.
Marcel
Teach.
D. Teach. Marcel D. Teach. Okay, okay.
I'm
Yeah.
pretty good with
Marcel.
names. That's why I remember
Yeah,
most
yeah.
of the shitty names.
Marcel D. Teach.
Yeah.
The most hated character for me. He's
Edward,
like
Edward Newgate. White
yeah.
beard. Man. I
Marcel
also,
D. is like what? Yeah.
but
Cunning person.
when you think it in the real world perspective, he is the most related to the pirate character. Most of them are like shitty, like like an adventure type. Yeah, man. Like he Marshall D. Teach. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
Blackbeard, he's like the real pirate,
that.
real pirate man. Like
Yeah.
a evil person, ambitious person. He's the most pirate related character in that show for me.
How pirates should be.
Yeah, man. It's literally
Yeah, you can
Blackbeard.
say that. Yeah. But the Bo Hancock.
Yeah.
Bo Hancock.
She's like
She's not meant to be pirate.
She's
not meant to be
not
pirate.
even fit. Not even fit
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be a pirate.
Yeah.
What's with that all moves and that?
Yeah. Luffy.
She's just stumbled upon a fruit and just ate it. Just got powers. Then they, like boom.
2-3 characters are not meant to be pirates.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Bo Hancock and that what's his name? Usopp.
Moria?
Usopp.
Yeah. Usopp
Yeah,
is like
also.
No,
but
Usopp is like
I hate this.
sidekick.
I hate this
Like,
character too, but he's like pursuing his dream to become a bold person. I hope he will achieve it, but I personally don't like him very
from
much.
Like
till
Usopp is
100
trying to become more parrot.
And all this
till
misunderstanding
1,000
made him-
episode, he's like the money in the bank, something like that.
You guys realize that episode 1000 just released like 2 or 3 days ago, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Episode 1000 just released, and it's been epic. Like 12 years, 12 no 23 years, I guess. 23 years it's been.
Yeah, it's 24 years.
Man, what a journey.
I think One Piece going to be the longest anime ever.
They
No,
say
not One Piece. Like, there's another one.
Yeah, there are many. There is an
What,
anime that has
which Detective Conan?
Detective Conan has 1300 something, but that's not the longest. The longest.
That's not the longest. Something I think like
6,000 episodes. 6,000
Yeah, six.
episodes. It's something
Which
like
anime? Which anime?
a wholesome Japanese small characters, like more like Shinchan, but more wholesome Japanese watching anime. It's we don't even see that on memes, man. They just posted that it has this episode, it has this episodes. You guys think One Piece is long?
I'll
Just
start
watch this.
watching from tomorrow. Then me and my grandson
Might
will
just
watch
end.
again.
Yes, it's Sase-san. Yes, it's Sase-san.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah,
the one.
it's
That's the one.
7,500
Yeah,
plus
man,
episodes,
yeah.
and it's
Oh
still
my
in
God,
production.
Yeah,
The
man.
current-
7,000.
It's that shit.
Yeah,
It's
it's
that shit.
1969.
Can you believe that? Can you
Means
believe
there is more than one or two
And
companies involved.
And actually,
Doraemon has 1,700.
actually, do you guys know Japanese people, old people? I mean, elder people mostly watch that anime.
Yeah,
Yeah, the most of
when I was in
YouTube
college
channel.
now, when I was in college, we were having a seminar.
Okay.
There a Japanese professor came from like which university from South. I don't know which university. He was like a guest teacher there. Guest
Okay.
teacher.
Okay.
He came and started talking about anime and stuff.
Hmm.
Then he shared a link that if you want to be an artist or a storyteller, or you want to join the anime industry, go for this link. There is some openings and something like that. There, me and my like 4 or
Even
5 friends.
if you
Yeah.
join, it's underpaid, man. Heavily underpaid on
Yeah, yeah.
Japan.
not just underpaid, man. You know, they have
overwork people,
we are
overwork.
like interns.
Yeah, man.
We have applied like
They are
1500
hardworking people. They are
1500
hardworking
peoples.
people. Not
Yeah,
like
yeah,
us.
1500
Not like us.
1500 students from like in all Uttarakhand. From
Right.
Uttarakhand, like 1500 students have applied that there, and only 5 of us were selected.
Fuck.
Then there we found like they give us one character and the whole scenario, and you have to like yeah, sprite drawing, you know, sprite drawing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that you have to draw everything. In within 2 days or 3 days, I left that.
Shit.
Most boring thing I've ever done.
Man,
Most boring thing.
they're just passionate about that shit. They do it for like it's like breathing for them. But we can't even draw like two panels in a straight.
Man, I'll draw like 365 days. But you know, you have to give me something like extra. Just for one hair to blow from your eyes to your ears, you have to make 5 or 6 frames. For
I
that,
just
yeah, that's why I was just
I,
only drawing
I
only
thought
hair.
I thought of drawing manga, but I didn't even try it. But I can just draw basic manga characters, and it's not even that flashy. It's okay,
I
average.
learned to draw for making games.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Yeah,
You are like the most passionate one about games.
You are
I-
passionate about games.
Yeah.
yeah, I have tried. I was into game development when I was in 10th. I think that's like 8 years ago. I've been learning Unity.
For me, I thought like game developing was like I thought it's like an unachievable dream. Like it will always be a dream, I thought. And after I changed the shitty courses and jobs, I finally think like, yeah, maybe I can make it like that shit. It's like complicated, man.
You heard of a company, Moonfrog?
What?
Moonfrog gaming company
I think I have
No,
heard
man.
of it
in Bangalore.
somewhere.
I'm pretty new to this.
It's in Bangalore. It's in Bangalore. Yeah, yeah. One of my senior was working there, and he told me that maybe I can work as an intern, or you know, like extra people on a project.
Spare.
Yeah, yeah. I told him yes. Then they give me one game character designing like Ninja Go or something like that. Their game was
Isn't that a popular game, Ninjago?
no, not that popular game. Ninja, man, it's an Indian company. How much are you expecting from that?
No, Ninjago is actually a Lego movie name,
Yeah, man.
like a
Yeah,
Lego
yeah.
scene. Yeah,
Lego Ninjago.
Ninjago.
Yeah, now I
Yeah.
remember. Now I
Yeah.
remember.
No.
Was- I
It's a
confused
2D
it.
game, and they were developing 2D game. For that, they told me to draw some pictures of ninja running, kicking, jumping from here and there. For that, I started sprite drawing first, and after that, I liked that job, but no, there it's like you have to see it.
Did you draw in digital tabs or like?
Yeah. Tab.
Yeah, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Must be hard, but nice.
Not hard. If you are using mouse, if you are used to use mouse,
what?
Then you can learn drawing on tab very easily.
How can you draw with mouse in a tab?
Yeah. Oh
In a
man,
tab?
no, not in tab. When first I was started Blender, using Blender, na.
Yeah,
My
okay.
first have you heard of donut tutorial in YouTube?
Yeah, donut tutorial. Yeah, I've
Have
heard
you
of
heard?
it.
Man,
Like
you guys,
the,
you guys
the
know
guy.
everything, man. I'm like a baby with you guys.
Like
Literally.
I like touched every area in game development for making game. Like I tried to make a game, like, oh no, I don't know coding, okay, I learned coding, and I don't have assets, okay, I tried drawing, then I tried 3D modeling, animation, video editing, photo editing, every single shit. Like UI editing,
donut guy, na?
everything. Yeah.
The donut guide is teaching in Udemy. Okay.
Okay.
For that I took that the course, and
Uh.
that time I don't have this tab for drawing. I used only mouse for
graphics
completing.
tablet.
Yeah, I didn't have that time. So I used only mouse for drawing, like for 6 months. 6 months I use only mouse for if like, there I draw that tutorial, then orc and many more. After that, when I used to okay, now I'm good with mouse. Then I bought a graphic tablet.
Man, what is it? Aditya, right?
Yeah.
Your passion blinds me, man. Literally.
I 8 years my only dream was game development. I
For
tried
8 years?
everything. Yeah,
For 8 years?
Yeah, I tried learning every single way. Um,
Just to get into it.
yeah, like game maker something like that. That's the first thing that I tried. It's like it's a coding. Like I think it was in Python, something like that. It was a shit software.
What are you
Then
doing currently?
I'm currently I'm currently I'm doing nothing. I have some backlogs left. I'm computer engineering.
Okay, are you BTech? Okay, BTech student, na? That's
BTech,
why.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I passed.
I didn't know which field to go, so there was a game
You know,
B
you
Arts
took
and BTech, so I
very very good branch for your as per your like interest.
yeah
You
I
took
took
CS, na?
yeah
Yeah,
CS, but
for
like
me when I was in 12th, and after that oh I have to do BTech, but I don't know what branch I should choose. Then I choose like after so much Google and searching here and there, I took mechatronics. Have you heard of mechatronics?
yeah, I heard of mechatronics.
Yeah, I took mechatronics. Went
It's
to
like
Uttarakhand. Yeah,
that's like
so much
very
robot and
hard.
stuff. Yeah, so much robot and automation stuff, and learn some coding, mechanical stuff. Like in 15 to 15 to 19, I was 15 to 19 batch. In 19, when I passed, my first job was in Rajasthan, Mawara. I don't know the place name. I left that job within a week because I can't bear like hot, very hot when
climate.
there. Yeah, climate very hot.
Yeah,
I
desert
was
side.
in I was in Uttarakhand for like 4 years, na. That's why
Oh, okay.
it took me 3 days to like adjust their food, water. Then I decided no, I'm not going for BTech BTech mechatronics job, and I should switch. Then for time pass, I took like did my telecaller job in a company. There, when I earn something, then I start working on 3D artist. Corrected, yeah.
Yeah, I did some freelancing work for it was what do you call 2D UI designing, logo making, and
Yeah,
stuff.
logo
Yeah,
making and banner making. I've also done some. Like
yeah, I did this.
there is a company. There's a company, uh, cookies company in our place. They asked me to design their logo. So I made Hack and Jack as something like that. Hack and Jack. My first project was as a freelancer.
I did. I think it was for a few companies. It wasn't like big companies. They wanted a lot of stuff like logo. Then they wanted a web page, and everything was like they want like social media, everything stuff. Like so, me and my friend we shared that, and he took the job, and then he'll send all the artwork to me. I do that, then I get paid. Yeah.
Do you think the money is in freelancing is good enough?
And what I got was good enough for, but most of the jobs that I did, it didn't pay enough. I didn't even give them back their things like the logo they asked me to. I didn't give them because they told me they'll only pay like 500 rupees for a
Me
logo
too,
that
me
I
too, me too.
worked for like 1 month. and they're only
You
paying
know,
like 500. Like,
for only making one logo, I have to learn Photoshop. What that is? AECS.
Illustrator, yeah.
Yeah, Illustrator, AECS, everything for only one logo. I have to learn, but they are only paying me 500. 500. I made and just let it go. Like only
I
500
got
for
like foreign companies jobs. Like my friend does freelancing web development stuff, so he doesn't do artistic stuff, so he gets like foreign jobs and they pay really well. Like,
yeah.
I've
In
gotten
dollars they pay.
yeah I've gotten I think 5,000 rupees or something for a logo.
I'm not criticizing Indian customer, Indian Indian
Yeah,
people or Indian company, but I think foreign companies are if you are giving some time in something, they
yeah they,
they
they they
hope
pay for the time. They pay for the
yeah
time.
they pay for the time. They value time. In
Yeah,
India, it's only the work. Oh, this is this much. Okay, you'll get this much only.
yeah,
This much work for this much.
Yeah, man.
But there, nahi.
Even on the part-time jobs, it's like that, man.
Yeah.
The
That's
hourly pay. It sucks, man. The currency value difference. Even most of the part-time job guys here much more than us if we compare it. That is like if you earn $18 per hour and you work 10 hours just in a McDonald's or something, you can earn up to 4 lakhs per month, man. In Indian value, I'm saying.
yeah. But if you're living there, then
Yeah, I get it. Expenses are a different thing, but I'm just
yeah,
saying the currency value.
yeah.
It sucks.
okay, guys. I'll go to sleep.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow,
I'm going to.
in morning, I have to go to gym. So,
Okay.
bye.
I'm going to.
It's been great,
Okay.
man. It's been
Yeah,
great.
great.
Okay.
Great
Okay,
talking to
guys.
you guys. Bye.
Okay, guys. Thanks.
Later.
Bye.